Christmas. I won't even wish for snow. I'm just gonna keep on waiting underneath the mistletoe. I won't make a list and send it to the North Pole for Saint Nick. I won't even stay awake to hear those magic reindeer click. 'Cause I just want you here tonight, holding on to me so tight. What more can I do? Baby, all I want for Christmas is you. You, baby. I don't want a lot for Christmas. There is just one thing I need. And I don't care about the presents underneath the Christmas tree. I don't need to hang my stocking there upon the fireplace. Santa Claus won't make me happy with a toy on Christmas Day. I just want you for my own, more than you could ever know. Make my wish come true. All I want for Christmas is you. Is you. All I want for Christmas is you. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you and all of your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas. We wish you a Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you and all of your kin. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. Good tidings to you wherever you are. Good tidings for Christmas and a Happy New Year. We wish you a Merry Christmas.
What is up, ladies and gentlemen of TradeCaster.com? Guys, I'm hopping on a little bit late here. Guys, we're just gonna run about 474. Boom, baby, we're getting Cesar up in the building today as well. AK couldn't make it today, so it's okay. But, hey, still got the Futures Kings over here, baby. So getting into it, give us 1 second, guys. Want to get everything squared away right before market open, so I got about 6 minutes here. So give me 1 second, guys. Hope you guys are all printing, profiting if you guys have been trading today. If you guys haven't yet, it's a little bit early still, so it makes sense. But yeah, buddy. Load up everything here. Let's load this up. 1 more second. There we go. Alright. Give me 1 second. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to call them up. Give me just 1 more second. While we wait, let's check out this economic calendar. Ladies and gentlemen, economic calendar for the month, aka December is basically almost over. So we're gonna go down to the daily. We're gonna check this out. All right, not a U.S. resident. Yeah, totally. We're gonna roll it. Yeah, totally. Sure. Guys, we have consumer sentiment at 10 a.m. Guys, we had core PC at what is this? This is at 8:30. Yup. So core PC. So we had a little bit of a move come 8:30. Nothing big. This is kind of what we were looking for. Not the dip in the rip, but mainly just a little bit of a move. Nothing crazy. Okay. So nothing that's really gonna affect the market in a wild way. As it's a Friday, you know, we're not really looking to be crazy today. You kind of want to walk away with your gains if you're up early in the day. That's kind of how it works on Fridays, man. So basically 10 a.m. is basically what I'll wait for. That's about it. So give me 1 second. Oh my goodness. Hey, what's up, Cesar?
Yo,
What's up, buddy?
what's up?
Nothing
Yo, buddy.
much. Yeah, buddy, there we go. Nothing much, nothing much. Can't complain. Just hopped on a little bit late, but it's fine. Nothing against it. So, hopping straight into it. A few minutes late. I mean, what is it? Hope you're chilling on the day, man.
Yeah. I mean, already up on the day. Caught the long on NQ. Had a long on ES as well. Looking to scale back into NQ for a continuation up. Looking for an overall movement to 1743 and even 1773, which is an all-time high.
Right.
Yeah.
Right. I'm with
Let's
it.
see. Give me 1 second. Let me see. So, why is there a difference on the Forex side? So, what I want you guys to understand about the Forex side and the future side is that Forex is continuous, right? So, because
what's
of
up,
that,
Lord?
the
What's up,
numbers
Charlie
are
Queen?
always going to be different
Hope
from
you
the
guys are having
future
a
side.
great day,
So, for
guys.
example,
What's
like
up,
I'm going
yo?
to pull up gold, right? And I'm going to go into the alt products, and you're going to see all the contracts on gold, right? Recently, the contract that expired was GCZ23, and you can see that. Look at that price is 2055. That's where it expired. The one GCF24 that expires in 6 days. That price is at 2068. And then the one that's currently active, which is GCG24, which expires in 39 days, February 2024, that is trading at 2070 79. And if I go over to my Forex side, so like on FTMO server, the current price for gold is 2066.97. So every broker, they have different data feed, and those different data feeds are going to affect the pricing of the numerical value of that particular instrument, which is why I say, like, for the most part, like, you always want to go off of what you see or the levels that you see on the actual futures, because the gold futures is the original. XAUSD on the Forex side, that is a clone or a variation of the gold futures, which is /GC on Thinkorswim, and then just GC if you're trading on Tradeovate or NinjaTrader or a different platform.
Oh, there we go. There we are. All right, ladies and gentlemen. So that's good info.
Yeah. So, all right. So here on NQ, I'm looking for a scale in entry at 995, 1 micro, and I'm gonna wait to see if we get close to 16,970 for me to add a couple of minis. I do believe, just like yesterday, we're gonna continue higher, but I don't know how deep the retracement is gonna be. So I don't mind scaling in with a micro, and then once it comes to my actual entry, I'm gonna add a couple of minis.
Okay.
So as you can hear, order got filled right there.
There we go. All right, sounds good.
And in the event this thing just busts and remove without me.
Yeah, right.
Okay, we got filled. So what do you want to do, bro? What do you want to do? There we go. Oh, we pumping.
In on this as well. I think I kind of like it as well. I did the same thing 1 micro, so very small position size. Yeah,
Yep.
just because, yeah, I kind of like the scale in option. I've been trying to work on that a little bit. Yeah, scaling in versus just jumping on a full court position.
Yep. Facts. Okay.
NQ,
We're going. We're
NQ
going.
overall starting to push up, guys. NQ overall pushing up.
Yep. Oh, okay. I'm switching over to minis. Switching over to minis. Let's see. Okay, we're popping. We're popping. Pop, 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 pop. Go, 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 go.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm
Whoa.
adding.
Nice.
Order filled.
Let's
Oh,
go.
nice. Okay. I want to see that continue to rip and run here. What a beauty. Off the rip, that's kind of what I'm looking at. I want to see off the rip. Basically, it hold above that 474 point on S&P, which it is, which I think is going to continue to help NQ here push up to these highs. As they're both pushing higher, NQ can do the same.
Come on, come on.
Wow, and S&P is really pushing up there. NQ just needs to get
Yep,
that one push, it's gone.
Order filled.
All right, let's go. I'm adding one more micro. Oh, NQ is gone. ES
Oh,
is
yeah,
gone.
buddy.
Let's go.
Let's see it,
How are
buddy.
you? Let's see it. And also, yo, iron, RTY, bro. I'm also eyeing RTY. Nice little pullback down
Oh, there we
to the
go.
44. I think RTY can push up and we could see 2064. I have an alert at 2041.90, so if we get a pullback to there, I'm definitely going in on it.
Word up.
Yeah. Okay.
Green is-
Okay.
I think NQ's good looking. I like it. Little bit of a pullback. I want to see it hold above 1700 here as well. You know, so I'm just waiting and watching. I mean, S&P is going crazy to the top side right now. So it's really just a matter of, can this thing hold up at these highs? Can it hold up, continue to, push to the top side without any sort of, big retracement? There it goes.
There we go.
We're in the Santa Claus rounding phase where we've got, starting to
What size am I going? So I'm in a total of two micros, and I'm in one mini at 1707. So I'm up a little over about 10 points on it right now. Fluctuation. So my stop on the mini is at 17,000 even. I'm looking for 17,043.
people who come on our leave a cat.
Well, your space banks, they've done really well over the last month. I mean, it's like when Waller started.
Good stuff, Queen. Good stuff.
She up on the day.
Oh yeah. She up.
There we go. Oh, wow.
20s.
There it goes. I want to see it hold 20 here as well. That'd be so beautiful. Just keep that green going. Start to push that 20 mark. Push that 21 mark, man. Oh, what a beauty, bro. If it can hit it, right here it is. I love it. Start pushing 20 and start holding, man.
Come on.
Order filled.
Taking one off. Come on. I'm doing that.
Starting to get that retracement. Might exit this position here.
Rates as you will. So basically, we've got the overnight retail swap that's smaller.
Don't play with us.
Order filled.
Okay, gotta add.
Into the Fed, which is paying a 5% interest rate, capturing the spread and doing so to the tune of $130 billion.
Oh, bro.
Not necessarily a sign of
Play with us.
lately.
So that was
because
a
you
big.
see
That it jumped up like 5 more points there. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm 50-50 here. I want to add, but
Mm,
Yeah, I might have to exit this.
Let's see. Reclaim 17.
Yup. If it reclaims 17, I think I'm gonna add here.
Let's see. Let's see.
Think 9 months of the year. November. Just
Starting to reclaim
Objection.
17. I want to see it hold here. That'd be so beautiful. Start to come up.
It's trying. Come on.
Order filled.
All right, I got the ad there.
There you go.
I'm looking for
Okay,
red, green,
yeah.
spike, or
Back
red.
up.
Just absurd.
Basis these sure, absolutely, but they still exist. As long as you can keep your depositors, and another key dynamic here is when rates decline, depositors have fewer places to take their money.
Right there,
and
dude.
the cash.
Sold in at 200.
Obviously, because cash is finally worth something these days. But that whole kind of cash shifting trend has impacted the state.
Yes, it's pushing.
Yup.
Big banks that have
I need NQ overall to push as well. NQ overall needs to push up for NQ to push here. Leading these blue chips, these tech stocks into the next push, the next rally, next run. Come on, NQ, get a little bit of a push here. Get a little bit of a gainer on me, buddy. Get that little bit of lower shadow there, NQ overall, and then start to push up here, man. All right, don't want to be biased, but I just, yeah.
Energy related. WTI falling back to 75 today, aiming for a 5% up week both on Brent and West Texas. You have the Angola OPEC news this week. Potato prices back to $10,000, affecting the East Coast more than the West Coast. And then Maersk implementing some surcharges on these diversions. We had the CEO on Movers earlier in the week and said it might be adding 2 to 4 weeks delay. IKEA is a good example. They mentioned it this week as well. But that's at this moment. We'll see throughout that 2 to 4 weeks delay
I'd love
timeline
to see
gets
this thing
expanded.
kind of like if it's not gonna. I don't know. I feel like it just can't. I feel like it's got that push in it. These lower shadows are coming in like right around this area.
It does. I mean,
I'm waiting and watching, seeing what it's gonna do. I'm looking at NQ overall as well, guys. Looking for some red to green on that. That's basically it.
look at Russell.
Oh,
Russell's
my goodness.
going.
Are you in
Yeah,
there?
see. Nah, I'm not, but I was debating on it.
That would've been
Definitely better move. Like, come on. Nas is gonna like everything's pushing, but the Nas like, nah, come on, bro.
Mm,
Cut the nonsense. You just gotta be patient.
mm.
Just gotta be patient.
Oh,
There you
here
go,
she
come on.
goes. Here she goes. Look at that S&P pushing. Wow, bro. I need
Oh,
NQ
come on.
overall to get the push right there, and yup, it'll take off.
Order filled.
NQ's coming. NQ's time is coming. Come on.
Really place your bets in the new year.
It does look like
Oh,
quite a-
beauty.
Is that going to kind of shift back to revising
Did you
the
add?
index?
No, I added towards the bottom already. I was thinking about adding another bit. I didn't yet. I was thinking about it. I wanted to see NQ overall, and I'm still looking for NQ
Yeah.
overall. There it goes.
Oh,
I want to see NQ
Oh, it's
overall
coming.
push this view up here.
What's the view up number?
The view up number for NQ overall is 14,714. It's right underneath it right now. If it breaks it to the top side, I think NQ is gonna rip.
17714.
No. So this is on NQ overall. NQ overall, not NQ, and it's pushing it. Hold on. It's getting up there. Hold on. It's close. Come on, buddy. It just pushed it. It's starting to break it. I want to see it hold above. Hold above it. It's starting to get there. It's so close, man. With S&P, it looks good. It's starting to get. I think we look good. We look good as long as this holds. Has to hold above. There we go.
New high. Come on, test those highs and break through.
Yup. There we go. Oh
There
yeah,
you go.
buddy. Yup, just jumped
Come on.
above the view up. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Come on. Come on. Keep going. Give us a new high. Give us a new high. Give us a new high. Come on. Come on,
Oh
bro.
my goodness, let's see it. I want to see this take off here. A little bit higher here. I want to see this continue.
Order filled.
Took half there. Holding half.
Come on.
I think we got it. I think we got it. If NQ overall continues to push here. Yup. And S&P come in and hit me with it.
Mm-hmm. Come on, bro.
Order filled.
All right, I got out. I'll take it. Maybe it was a bad exit. Shouldn't maybe, but I mean, yeah, I kind of take it. A little bit of a double top coming in. Yeah, confidence levels weren't terribly there. Terribly not there either, though. It has yet to break view up to the downside on NQ overall, so makes you feel confident. I was in with a weird contract number, though. I was in with 21. Like, so, it was a little weird.
Bro, look at Russell. Come on,
Oh
look
yeah,
at Russell.
yo, J Trades. What's up, buddy? What's up, J Trades? Data in 20 minutes. Oh my goodness, there it goes,
Phil.
bro. Wow.
Let's go.
Wow, dude. Oh, what a beauty, bro. I know you wrote that out, dude.
Yeah, I just took profits. ES is ripping.
Yeah. J Trades saying Merry Christmas to you and your family. Hey, Merry Christmas to you and your family as well. You too, Cesar. Merry Christmas to you and your family. I forgot.
Thank you, Merry Christmas to you and yours.
Yeah, we got Christmas coming up in what, 3 days? That's crazy. So here we go, come Money Monday.
Order filled.
I'm not quite sure. Actually, that's a great question if anyone's asking. Up 700 short quick. There we go. Yeah, yeah, new home sales in 10 minutes. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be looking at that. And also, yeah, consumer sentiment. So, I am out of all positions till 10 a.m. But yeah, guys, I don't even know if the market's really open Monday. I'm sure they have some sort. I'm sure Cesar. I don't know if you know.
Nah, market's most likely not going to be open Monday. Don't even bother. It will at 6 p.m. in the evening.
Oh, that's what. Yes. Yup. Okay.
But yeah, but during the New York session, no. During the London session, no.
You're right.
So significant over the August offer that Cliff's
Oh my, bro.
That's what I see. No fucking highs. Come on, baby. Give it to me. Give it to me. Give it to me.
Oh my, bro. Are you still in on this?
Yeah, one contract to go.
Oh man, dude.
Come on. 25. Give me 25.50. Give me 25.50. Give me 25.50. Come on, 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 come on,
Do it. Hit him with it. Hit him with it. Ah, there it is.
Got it.
Oh man.
Got it.
Oh, I sold
She's
way
still-
too early on that.
And she's still going. She
Oh,
said, I ain't
goodness.
come to play with y'all.
Woo!
Look at-
Ladies and gentlemen,
look
bro.
at-
What a play, dude. What a-
Look at this. Oh, here comes the 43s, man. I fucking told y'all, man. I told y'all. Put some respect on my name, bruh.
What a beauty, bro. That is actually, oh my goodness. All right. I will be right back, Cesar. You take it away, man. Give me 1 second, ladies and gentlemen. I'll be right. Oh my NQ, bro. God, dude, I got paper hands, boys. I got paper hands.
That's all right, man. That's all right, bruh.
I got paper hands. All right. I'll be back. I'll be right back. Oh my goodness, man. Pure beat.
New highs coming, bro. New highs for the day.
The Sergio principle. which most companies it takes years, maybe decades.
Where's gonna be the next buy area? I'm thinking 1715 might be the next buy area.
Less competition, meaning you get some of the legacies out of the game. That's just a bigger sandbox for Tesla to own. He's always been a big mom. Yes, obviously.
I am setting a buy limit at 1715.
The markets in general, and grievances of sorts that he has with the public markets. Too high a regulatory burden, too much pressure from shareholders, and really took aim at passive investing, stoking volatility that it's quote gone too far. Wouldn't recommend companies quote it unless they really have to.
1715. Come on.
That
Buy limit 1715. Yes, yes. Broke the daily resistance. Hey, it's that Christmas rally. Come on. Buy limit at 1715. Give it to me. Fill me, baby.
I'm going to be speaking with Kathy Wood about passive investing. Of course, runs.
Yes.
Yeah. But Tesla is the second largest holding in that innovation.
But you can imagine Mark Rowan, for example, of Apollo, saying yes, the markets are over-indexed. It's hard to generate alpha, and that's why if you can manage the illiquidity, private markets make sense.
Yeah,
For average investors.
if you can get it at the right valuation. And the turnaround stories, I mean, it's difficult, right? It's an easy sell to say if you're in the private markets, you're not as worried about the quarterly earnings, you're not as worried about the pressure from investors and activists kind of pushing you to different things. It's a real issue for a lot of CEOs out there. But
I need a cup. One more good trade and I'm calling it a day. I know what I'm gonna do. So while I wait for my entry, don't mind me, I stuck my face a little bit. Okay, we all do this. Actually, no. Some days it's not just two trades. So mind you, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I've done 5 trades so far today. Two of them was done before I even hopped on stream because I caught the 8:30 news, right? So news came out, it pulled back. I had already been in a long, which I took profits here, and then I had a rebuy at 940, which I got filled, and then it started pushing. I took profits, and then just when it looked like it was going to go higher, I got back in. So I've placed about 5 trades so far today. But some days, I mean, like when we have like good volume where like it's just dropping and popping, like I'm buying the dips, I'm selling the pops, I'm buying the dips, I'm selling the pops, and I'm repeating this until I can't repeat it anymore, right? So yeah, so it's not, I don't limit myself to 2 trades. I know some gurus and mentors out there, they stress and they say 2 to 3 trades a day. And it's like, okay, 2 to 3 trades a day is great when one, the market is trending, right? Because you can literally get in if it's one directional, boom, you get in, you let it play, you take some profits, and that's it. When the market is choppy and it's going back and forth, back and forth, back and forth, 1 to 2 trades, unless you're hitting your target for the day in those 2 trades, great. If not, you may have to play some more trades. Let's go. And I mean, and there's been times like, I want to say there's been times where like I've probably done 40, 30 trades in a day. I mean, you don't get to like 9, 10 grand in commissions quarterly by just, you know, doing 1 to 2 trades on TD. So morning. Yes, longs, buddy. We did bought. We did bought. We took it on the break. Longs. Come on. Breakout.
Order filled.
Let's go. Look at ES. Good Lord. ES said, I'm gone. Ah, you had a paddle game. Damn. Cost you some money in the market today. Look at this run up. $43 coming. 43 coming. Let me look at RTY. RTY is looking pretty good. Okay, nice little pullback. So RTY took out took out the week's highs, right, of 2064, pulling back right now. I guess I'm gonna have to set my my alert at 2049, because don't think it'll end up coming all the way down to the 40s, but either way, we'll let it be. We'll let it do its thing. She almost as good as. She's beautiful. Thank you. Let him know, bro. Let him know. So I'm liking what it's doing here. Yeah, we break over 43, bro. Like, this thing is really trucking away. Come on. I'm gonna try scaling in at 35. Come on. Don't play with me. Do it. Do it, ho.
Order filled.
Okay, and let's see if we can break the 43s. I still got an ad at 1716. My goodness, and look at ES, man. Oof. 4808. Yeah, I think it's gonna take out the highs. I really do. I'm trying to be disciplined and not hit this with no, 5 or 10 minis. But damn, I'm tempted. So 1710, 1715 is going to be another good entry to scale in. And guys, don't be shy to, alert once you get into something, man. Let's keep it being, a team, right? Let's share our entries, exits and stuff like that. Don't let me be just the one calling it out, man. I know some of y'all might be shy and stuff like that, but don't be.
Good news first. It is amazing to see the market broaden out like this. I know everybody's concerned about the Magnificent Seven, but look at what's been going on in the last few weeks.
Oh, news at 10. Let's see what we get.
The equal weight's up 5%. Remember, this is only up 3.5%.
Nice.
So yeah,
going along with the overall market, but that's not an outperformer anymore. I'll tell you what is concerning me. I don't like the trend of earnings. Now, we've got 16 companies reporting, including Nike, FedEx, and generally what client beats are there. 94% are beating on the top line. These are the first 16 companies. 50% are beating the revenues. That's way below expectations. And that happened with Nike again today. So we're seeing the numbers coming in a little disappointing, and as a result of forward estimates for some of these companies, they're going down. Turning here. I'm close eye on this. Done within the quarters. Let's do the talk about the Santa Claus Valley. There it is. First, that's a great indicator. 1.3%. The best 7 consecutive days.
Okay, stop on NQ. That open up 7 ounces. They overbought on the side, waiting on
All
a
right,
pullback.
back and at it, guys. What's up,
Awesome.
Cesar?
Oh, yeah, that's what's up. Awesome. Happy to hear that. You know what I mean? This is what I want to see. Like, you guys got to interact a little bit more. I appreciate that. That's awesome. All of you guys that are up on the day, I'm very, very happy to see that. Like, and to be honest, like, it also helps the other people in here that, you know, that want to say something, but maybe, you know, they're not sure whether to say something or
Morning,
not.
Tebow.
And,
Morning, buddy.
you know, I can tell you wholeheartedly, like, none of us are perfect. None of us are always going to catch the top, the bottoms. You know what I mean? Like, we're all going to make mistakes. We're all going to have losing days. So just feel comfortable and free. It doesn't matter how long somebody's been doing it, whether they've been doing it for 15, 20, 30, 11 years, 5 years, 2 years, a month, 2 months, 6 months. It does not matter, right? So what's important is that, like, yo, you're participating, you're here, you're trying to get it in. And just, you know what I'm saying, share it, whether it be charts, entries, ideas. If you're looking to do something, you know, just put it out there. And to be honest, also putting it out there kind of forces you to have accountability, because it's like, if you're calling out trades and then somebody asks, like, yo, did you take it? You didn't take it. Damn. First few times you might not take it, but then at some point you're like, yo, like, I really gotta, like, you know, do what I say I'm gonna do, because, you know, your ideas are hitting. So just keep that in mind. But I do appreciate that, you know, you guys are you know, being active, participating, interacting. And I will say this, like, the more you guys interact and participate, come 2024, you know, I'm gonna get back to doing the weekly evening Zooms, right? Free of cost, where get on Zoom, go over analysis, potential ideas, also touching on, you know, macroeconomics, certain outlooks and information that I'm seeing that's going on abroad, and how we can better prepare for it, right? Because there's trading, but then there's so much other things that comes in that affects our trades, and how, you know, and how we can go about moving forward, not only in the market, but just overall in our daily life, right? Because every single one of you guys that are here trading, you got that whole entrepreneurship spirit, right? You want to be able to build wealth. You want to be able to have more
2 minutes.
freedom.
We
You
got
want
2
to be
minutes,
able to, like, you
guys.
know,
2 minutes.
I don't want to trade. I don't want to work for the next few weeks. Like, I just want to travel for the next month or two and be able to do that. You know what I'm saying? So the freedom, the money is great, absolutely, right? But the freedom is even better. The freedom to choose what you do, when you do, who you deal with, who you don't have to deal with. Like, that right there is priceless, right? So I want to be able to, you know, offer you guys, you know, more help and help. I mean, a lot of people can attest to, like, I've even done some, you know, one-on-one Zooms just to kind of help you guys, like, someone, you know, clear up their charts, and, you know, maybe figure out something that they're doing wrong that they could be doing better. So I will be doing, you know, more of these things as, you know, 2024 starts. So literally January 22nd and on, back in full effect. And I will get back to doing the nightly Zooms. I'll get back to doing a London session and stuff like that. So yeah, man, it's like, listen, the first 2 quarters of 2024, we kill it. We rack up literally towards the end of the year. We can literally just go on cruise mode, take weeks off, take months off, and keep it pushing. Okay, news is out. News is out. Let's
Yup.
see.
Waiting and watching here. Seeing what we got.
Yeah, so usually I'll do it like 7, 8 p.m. in the evening. And if not, like I'll probably could do like Sundays. So like I'll do those that are overseas. Sundays probably might work better for you guys, where Sundays I can do it like late morning. Oh, okay, we're pulling, pulling, pulling,
There we go.
pulling.
Are you looking for a dip buy here? I'm thinking about it.
Yeah, yeah, I got a buy limit at 17.15. I'm waiting for this thing to get hit. It got so close to hitting. It's like, bro, come on. Hit me. Hit me, hit me.
I know that actually that news didn't do much at all. I mean, maybe it still hasn't come out yet. It's kind of what I have to. That's my only thought process here is that.
It came out. The reaction we're getting came out, but not much. Okay, I'm about to get filled.
Order filled.
Yes. Okay, I'm filled. I'm filled at 17.15.
There we go. Yup, I'm waiting right now, waiting and watching, guys. Gonna wait for a pullback down to I think that VWAP on the S&P, which is at 474.48. Wait for a little bit of a pullback down there, and then I'm gonna get loaded up in on 10. Yeah, that wasn't a crazy big move. Only reason, and maybe I shouldn't have expectations high for a crazy big move, but the only reason I do say that is due to the fact that what is it? Oh yeah, on the economic calendar it said it had it as a high move, basically rate, saying that usually anytime this said move comes out, bottom out of boom, is usually a high move. But this one did not. S&P, yeah, S&P's view up's at 474.48, excuse me, 48. But NQ's view up is all the way down at 16.974. So 974. So that's a little bit of a pullback, a lot of bit of a pullback. I don't know if that's gonna hit realistically. And
Looking at
oh, continue. Sorry.
looking at a 30-point pullback. Let's see.
Good morning, Tebow, buddy. Merry Christmas to you as well. Got any plans for the holiday weekend there, Cesar?
Me, not really. Just hang out with family and stuff. Nothing
Order
crazy.
filled.
There we go. Okay. Understandable.
Yeah.
Oh, I like it. I like it. Yeah.
Okay.
There
Goodbye,
we go. So
Mr.
we're getting
Buck.
I like the push here, and I want to see it continue. NQ overall got a nice push here as well. I needed to break that view up though and continue to push here. I'm in at 19, so I'm in at 19. Light position size. Just wanted to see it rip and run on me.
672,000 means this number's down over 12%. Over 12%. And what's more, that is the
NQ
weakest
overall
number.
getting there. NQ overall getting there. There we go. NQ holding that 50. I want to see that happen. There we go. Flipping to the green side. I want to see it continue here.
So 69.4 now becomes 69.7. Still the best since July.
There we go.
5 months.
Yep,
Expectation
like
was 66.4 to 67.
Baby.
68.
There it goes.
That is a
What a beauty.
66.
Yeah. Keep it going. Keep it trucking, baby. Keep it
Yup,
trucking. Keep it trucking.
going up, baby.
Tell them talk to me nice. Tell them talk to me nice.
Oh, if it can break this trend line right here, we might see those new highs come in. I want to see.
It's going. It's going to. It's going to.
S&P's
Oh,
breaking
yeah.
it.
Since Jan of 21. And if we look at the 5 to 10 year,
Yeah, you can trade on Apex. You can trade while overseas. It just comes down to when you request a payout. If you request a payout and you're overseas, they're going to ask you for like documentation to make sure you are who you are. But overall, you can trade while you're overseas. There's no issues with that.
buying down short maturities, and the driver there, of course, is thoughts about the Fed and easy. Carl, back to you and happy holidays.
Same to you, Rick. Thanks so much. Rick Stanzelli.
Beautiful support at the 1710 area. Come on, baby. Let's get that new high. Can we get that new high?
I think so. As long as we break that, it just respected that trend line. I'm looking for it to break that to the top side. It respected it right basically at the price of 1730. So I'm looking for that to come out and break. And I think we got a reverse trap pattern about to hit here, guys. Reverse trap pattern about to hit here on S&P, NQ, ES, NQ overall. I want to see NQ overall keep up here. There we go. There we go. Starting to push 1730. That's what I love to see. That's what I love to see. I need NQ overall to do the same. Nice, baby. Oh, what a beauty, man. Now we're above any type of old resistance. Now we're above that trend line. Now we can truck all the way up.
Order filled.
Oh, taking one off, taking one off.
Yup.
Let's-
So slow and steady wins the race, ladies and gentlemen. Want to see this continue?
Same.
Want to see this hold up?
Patient, wait, and then you rock the breakout. You say, "What's my name?"
Yeah, buddy.
Order filled.
Oh, man. So I just locked it up there, boys. Locked it up. Basically locked up another, like, nothing crazy on it. Slow action. NQ overall, by the way, just fell down. Yeah, so I did lock that up. Not a bad spot, I think. I think that was good. But, yeah, man.
Take profits. I took profits. But I'm gonna look to add back in again if it can hold if it can hold this honestly I'm gonna do 17. Let me see if it holds 1700. I'm gonna wait, let this 15-minute candle close. Let's see where this 15-minute candle close.
All right. So
Because
there we are, man.
we might pull back to 19,986. So let's see.
1990.
But oil's
What,
out here like, yo.
CL?
Yeah, and RTY's pulling back. I'm looking to possibly maybe snag along on RTY sub 2050. So maybe 2049, but let's see.
Oh, okay. Oh, basically, I see what you're saying. Old resistance, new support area.
Yeah. So,
Yep. 2049, 2049, 20. Both support areas. I like it.
yeah. There you go. See?
There we go. Picking up a thing or two from Cesar over here. All right. I see what you're seeing, buddy. I see what you're seeing. Let's check this out.
Listen, and for those of you guys that are up on a day, all right, whether it be 300, 500, 700, $300 to $700 a day, it adds up. Okay. Now, if you're not in a position where it's like, yo, it's not really an A1 trade, do not enter, right? Unless you have a good amount of profits and you're okay with risking some of it, do not, and I repeat, do not re-enter the trade. Sit on your hands, paper trade if you got to. You know what I mean? There's no need for you to sit here and and risk your gains on the day. All right. So that's my little tidbit advice for y'all.
Yeah, buddy, and I completely agree, guys. It's a Friday before Christmas. How many people do you really think are still trading, right? It's like there's probably, I mean, I don't know. I just don't think there's that many people really here. I will say I am very impressed with the volume today so far. It's more than I expected. I'm not going to lie. I very much expected like 50K candle, and we're averaging a little bit over 100. So that's on the S&P, and the S&P usually does that on the daily, averages a little bit over 100. Now you do have your few candles that are edging near the 50s and the low like 30s or whatnot, but that's fine compared to what, you know what I mean? So I'm just saying the volume overall I am very impressed with. I definitely did not expect a Friday before Christmas to have, such a, I would say, I'd say it's clean. I'd say it's a clean day. It's nothing too choppy, right? We did have that push off open, so. Nothing too choppy. Nothing crazy. Nothing choppy. So yeah, if you guys are up on the day, man, definitely walk away, man. It's better to just walk away than to just give up all the gains. Oh man, what a bad feeling it would be to go during the Christmas break, basically.
I had that one time. I had that happen to me. This was like years back, bro. But like I was up like I want to say like going in towards the end of November. Bro, first week of December, bro, I got.
Really?
And I literally, bro, I went into Christmas in such a bad mood because I want to say I probably lost like maybe like 20 or 30 grand, bro. I was so pissed. I was just like, that very bad Christmas, bro. I was bad. I was going into Christmas, losing, 30 something K, bro. I was just like, forget this shit. I was like, I was in a very bad mood.
Yeah,
I was,
how how's your holidays been? It's like, oh, you know, I basically spent 30K on Christmas presents I will never receive. It's like, what? It's like, yeah. It's like, it's like,
Like,
hey,
man.
if you think about it, you funded somebody else's Christmas, so you just donated
Yeah.
30K.
Oh,
You
pretty
know?
much. Oh,
So guys, think about it. Think about if you lose money in the market as a donation, and you receiving
yes, it
money
is.
is like a donation. Now, is it then? Actually, don't think about that, because then every time you make a win, you're gonna think that you just basically took. Okay, now, forget about what I just said. Don't think like that. Terrible thought process.
Hmm. But yeah, so that's where it's like, yo, once you're up on a day, bro, it's like, yo, if you feel the need, like if you still got that itch, yo, switch to demo, bro. It's like
Yup.
switch to demo, get it out the way. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, you do that, it's like, all right, you're good.
Yeah.
But otherwise, it's like there's no need to be there's no need to be in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah. Right. And
Because
yeah.
ultimately it's like you want to pass these accounts, so every win gets you closer and closer and closer and closer to eventually you hit it. I mean, I know we all want to be able to make, 10, 20, 30, 40, 100 grand a day, a week, right? But it's a process. Like if you're brand new, it's a process. It's like walking up a flight of stairs. You start off at the bottom, you go up 20, 30 steps, boom, you're on first floor, then you're on second, and each level, each floor you go up, the returns and the risk are much higher.
Yep. And that's true. That's true. That's all it is. You just keep working your way up the totem pole. Yep. And that's the thing. You guys, another way to think about it. I don't know. I usually don't think about it like this too much, but like if you guys work a 9 to 5 or whatnot, and you guys wait like however so many amount of years, you know what I mean, to get like a raise or something, right? Think about it like that. To start going with larger size, it's almost like getting a raise, It's like you're just raising yourself up. Now, obviously, it's not completely like that because, you don't lose money with a raise. So if you start going larger size, you take a fat L. Maybe size down a little bit. Maybe it's nothing bad. But if you guys are up, you guys are doing well. You guys want to size up a little bit. That's fine. I've started sizing up to I'm okay with taking 20 micros now instead of 10. Right? That's it. I won't go 30. I won't go 40 unless I'm getting myself out of something. Right? But I usually stick around the 10 to 20 range, and like I'm fine with that. Now, it depends also if I'm scaling in or not, right? I'm sure Cesar can also agree that, if you're scaling in, you want to go lighter size per the usual. It all depends on what your strategy is, Yeah.
Absolutely. 100%.
Yeah, buddy. So Christmas weekend coming up. Oh, man, dude. I'm a little hyped. I still got to do some Christmas shopping, I'm not going to lie. Still got to do a lot of Christmas shopping.
Yo, I saw my banker yesterday, dude, and I went to my banker yesterday, and we were talking. He's like, yeah, it's like, yo, like he's off today, tomorrow, and and like all of next week. And he's like, yeah, it's like I gotta do some shopping. I was like, wait, what?
Yeah.
I was like, you gotta what? I was like, the amount of traffic out here, bro, is ridiculous. I'm like, you're bugging. I was like, you're literally waiting 2 days before Christmas to go. Yeah, I was like, okay, good luck, man.
Yeah, you already know what your boy got to do as well. I think I'm doing that today, actually. So.
Yeah, what?
I know, dude. I know, but like, if you think about it, there's a lot of sales. Technically, I don't know, dude. I'm just unprepared, bro. Because I went and I was trying to shop for a couple different people, and I was like, all right, well, I can't really think of much. I'm just gonna get this, and it'll be fine for like a couple people. And I was trying to like think about other people. I'm like, I just don't know like what to get these people. So now I'm going in with like a list. You know what I mean? This time, like prepared. So I'll just show up. I'm like, okay, I'm here. Now what? And then I like don't know what to get. And it's like, okay, well, we're just gonna have to wait and see. And it's like, all right, well, no. So I'm coming in with a list, like Santa Claus. All right. Yeah, dude. I don't know how bad your traffic is over what Rhode Island. Is it bad up in that area?
Oh, out here, bro, it's horrible, dude. Like, bro, like it was like I was stuck in traffic for like 35 minutes, bro. I ended up like being late to my appointment at the bank, and I was just like, dude, and I was just like, yo, every street you turn, bro, traffic, 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 traffic. I'm like, yo, I hate coming out the house like to experience this.
Right. Yeah, dude. I agree, bro. That is. Oh man, dude. Yeah, it's not that bad. It's not. Well, I can't even say that. That's pretty bad here. It's not that bad. On like weekdays. It's a what? Is it a Friday? Oh yeah, bro. It's a Friday, dude. It's gonna get wild.
Yeah, today's a Friday. Today's a Friday. Like
Oh.
I might go to Boston. But it'll probably be like later in the day. And I know like it don't matter. Anytime probably after 2 p.m., bro, it's just gonna be mad traffic because there's a ton of people doing those last minute shopping and stuff like that, and that just becomes extremely tedious. It's like, bro.
Yup. And it, dude. Oh, buddy. Oh, I hate doing it, but I do it every year. That's how it goes. Actually, last year was probably my most prepared year. I was prepared for like going into December for a lot of people, and now this year I'm like, I've pushed it off so much. I've just been pushing it off so much. So going into this year, I should have probably been prepared again, but I just keep pushing it off. I just don't. But last year I was more of a social person, so like I like shopping and stuff. Like I didn't mind it, right? This year I cannot stand going and like dealing with people and doing all that stuff, right? It's like, oh my goodness, bro. It's like, I gotta get out of the house. What do you mean, dude? It's like, it's like, there you go, touch grass.
For me, it's a very simple thing. I just gift them stocks and that's it.
Really? That's actually the smartest idea I think I've ever heard.
I gift family and friends stocks and funded accounts.
Really?
I'm like here and crypto. Yeah. I keep it simple. I'm like, I'm not gonna sit here and buy you something that one, you're not gonna spend like some of the stuff that I buy, like they'll use it once or twice and that's it. Like all my godchildren, they all have trading accounts that I trade and invest for them. Family members, trading accounts and stocks. That's what they get from me. I was like, don't expect nothing materialistic. Maybe on their birthday, I might take them to like a massage and do dinner and stuff like that. But my gift to them is the gift that keeps on giving. Like,
Bro,
miss me with that.
That is you just sparked that was just like freaking light bulb in my head, dude. I don't know why I didn't think about that. Oh, that's so smart, bro. Because I was thinking about that earlier.
Yeah.
I was at the store and I'm looking at like jewelry for people and stuff. And I'm like,
Nope.
this is cool, but this feels like what's the word I'm trying to look for? Like non-sentimental. You know what I mean? It's like, here, I'm gonna spend like $500 on you, and here you go, that's it. And then it's like, oh, okay, that's cool, thank you so much. It's like, that's it. You know what I mean? It's like, oh, it's a cool necklace or something, but it's not useful. I was thinking in my head like, what could be useful to somebody? And I'm thinking like, all right, well, I mean, like they already have 100 cooking pans. You know what I mean? I'm like, I don't know really what to get. That's a smart ass idea, dude. Stocks.
Yeah. So for me, it's trips, it's experiences, and it's just like before I buy someone like a material stuff, it's like, yo, like why am I gonna sit here and spend? I was like, okay, I can go and I can spend $200-$300 on a person and whatever, and then it's like that. The gratification or the joy that they get from it, it's temporary. It's like, okay, within a couple of days, a week, a month, that's it. Jewelry goes out of fashion, goes in and out of fashion. Same thing with fashion. It goes in and out of fashion. You buy kids toys, like, okay, you buy them a toy and then it's like, okay, they outgrow the toy like within a couple of months. You're spending $100-$200 on it. It's just like, yo, like, nah, like that $200 or $100 or $150, however much you're spending on that person, yo, gift them a stock, gift them a crypto, something that's going to grow in value in the next few years. And in 3 years time, a $200 or a $500, the equivalence of what you gave them. Now they're sitting at a nice 15, 2, 3, 4, 5 grand, and it's like, yo, that gift is just gonna continue on giving and growing and multiplying, especially like stocks that give out dividends, like and the dividend like is rebuying more shares, bro. By the time they decide to cash out, it's gonna be like, you're welcome. Thank you.
You're welcome, yo.
That's all I say, bro. I'm like, thank me later. That's what I say. I was like, yo, thank me later. That like saves so much time. Like it saves me so much time and stuff. And it's just like no one can say shit to me. It's like, yeah.
Yeah, that's a smart book. That's the best gift they're ever gonna get. You think about it. If you bought somebody, I don't know, like 10 Apple shares, you did that back in like 1990. Think about it now. They're up like, I mean, they're not like they're not like millionaires, but like they still made Plus, does Apple pay dividends? I don't know. I'm sure they do, right? I'm sure one of those corporate companies. They're probably-
Yeah.
Yeah. But like, imagine that though. Like, you've been holding it for that long. You're probably up. You know, up at least like what are they up? Like,
They do.
yeah. Let's see, Apple, or even okay. Let's say it's
Bro.
a $10 stock. You could have bought like 100 shares.
Oh, bro, I think was it
Order
Costco?
filled.
Costco, yo, bro, Costco gave like this quarter, like they gave $15 in dividends
Per share.
per share.
What? Are you
Yeah,
wait,
bro.
Costco. Costco gave.
Yeah, bro, bro, there's some sleepers out there, bro. There are some sleepers out there.
Whoa,
You know what
wait.
I'm saying?
What's Costco's ticker?
COST.
COSC. Oh yeah. Wait, let's see how much a share. $6.60 a share. Okay, that's not terrible, but like, I mean, $15, bro. You buy 10
Yeah,
shares, that's $150.
but there's not like there are platforms that you can buy a fraction of a share, just like you can buy a fraction of Bitcoin, Ethereum,
Oh, okay.
and stuff like that. I mean, so but yeah,
Right.
like bro, like almost like everyone in my circle, bro, like they're all with crypto.com. And then it's like, all right, yo, come holiday time, birthdays, whatever. Like birthdays, I'll take them out, whatever, we'll do some stuff.
Right.
But overall, it's like, all right, yo, here's some crypto. This is something that, you know, in the years to come is gonna double, triple, quadruple in value.
Right.
So it's like what you would spend, like let's say, you know, for your girlfriend, right? Instead of you going spending $300-400 on her on a gift that you know she's gonna outgrow in some time, bro. Gift her some crypto. It's like, all right, yo, in a couple of years, this, you know, this $300 is gonna be, you know, $3,000 or $1,500.
Yup.
They're gonna be extremely thankful then.
Yeah, right, dude. That is true, bro. I
You
didn't
know?
think about that. I think that's what I'm gonna do for Christmas then. That's actually really smart. I'm
Yes,
gonna
the
gift everyone.
$15 was a special. The $15 was a special dividend, but prior to that, but yeah, but it's just like, yo, like that's amazing. Like the fact that they just had like a phenomenal quarter, and to be able to give that type of dividends, because even companies that, in my opinion,
Order
does
filled.
have the ability to pay that, and they don't. It's like, oh shit.
Right. Let's go 5,790.
But do they still own that space? Absolutely, they own that space and they'll figure it out and they're really good at what they do. They're getting hurt in China, but everybody's getting hurt in China. They're just not as strong there as we thought they would be at this point in time.
So as an investor, how do you kind of extrapolate, what's going on in the macros, the
RTY dip buy,
markets?
grabbed one, holding, take
Is
stop
big-
loss, but want to see if we can run here. I think we're definitely gonna get that push.
Do you just kind of take that out and say, but the U.S. is good and that's kind of their key market, or do you
TY.
take some out?
Right near that 50-day basically is buy. Yeah, so I'm looking for that nice. What's here? Red to green push.
Oh, nice.
Yeah.
55. Okay, 56.
Question is, what's the timing and did it?
Right there.
Right there, mate. Right there.
Yeah, right.
The great
So close.
Come on, bruh.
If not, NQ, and S&P are both in a little bit of a down wedge. I'm just looking to see what RTY will do here, basically. I will be getting out, though, shortly on this. Only, because I just want to hold it near that 50-day. Was it realistically one of the best plays in where I look at the chart? No, because it disrespected the 50-day multiple times already. But I do see it going one way or another. And if it goes to the top side here, and that's like, okay, YB, no duh, it's going to go one way or another. It's like, all right, buddy. Yeah, I'm looking for
thing
that
about
green.
different.
There's no green here. I'm about to get out.
Not going to see this in the cost of goods. Not yet. It's going to have to be a lot bigger deal than
Order
what it is.
filled.
That's okay.
In terms of that core PCE number come down on a 6-month basis, we're looking at that Fed below the Fed's 2% target. What does that mean for the plight of spending as well as the cost of goods for a lot of the retailers out there?
When you look right now at inflation in goods, I claim inflation in goods is zero. I personally hope it doesn't go negative, but it is right now zero. And on the other hand, services are still inflating, and they're going to continue to inflate until something changes with jobs and earnings. I don't think that's going to happen. So it's getting to be more attractive right now for goods versus going out to dinner. And we're seeing it reflected. We're seeing a small drink.
Okay, that's number five.
I think that's going to continue and it's going to
You
accelerate.
mean anything right now, Cesar?
Decelerate. They're going to benefit.
Yeah, I'm in one contract long on NQ at 1710.
Here we go. Okay. Yeah, I just depends on what the S&P does here. It's a little bit overextended NQ to the downside. So yeah, like I said, it depends on what the S&P does. If the S&P breaks that view
Yeah.
up, could be a little shorty though. Same thing with ES. So I think I'd rather take ES on that. I usually don't trade ES.
Copy.
Instead of 30% sales this holiday season, we're going to see extraordinary
Nice.
performance. The SG.
Yeah, S&P's been holding up, bro. I don't know if you see that. There's a little wedge on it. It's just been holding. It's right. It's at the end of the wedge here, but it's like, dude, it's been holding and holding.
If we do it, we back. I'm using 4%. The rest of the world's using 3.5%. But whatever it is, if tomorrow's a good day,
Let's see. Okay. You still in RTY?
No, I got out. I got out off the 50-day break there, down I think like 57.40. So it was a really tight stop on that. But I do think it's starting to break the channel. That's kind of why I got in as well. It was breaking that channel to the top side there. I got in at like I said, like 59s. But I would need to see S&P also take off.
That's looking good. I like it.
And that's been going on. It's not moving as fast as it was.
I mean, it literally was just 5 points away. Literally 5 points away from my alert. I'm looking for this thing to get down closer to like 2050 area. That's where I really want to catch.
Oh, okay. Oh, S&P starting to break out here.
Yep, nice bounce. Yo, and matter of fact, yo, check this out. Like S&P is really holding that trend line from yesterday that I drew.
Yeah.
Watch, check it out. I'm gonna send it. I'll post it in the chat first.
Do I think we're going to get better at it? Sure, and I think AI is going to make a big
Okay,
difference.
and then I'll send it to you on Discord so you can see.
All right. Yeah, I like S&P up here right now. I want to see S&P hold outside of this trend line. The 1 minute here was on the 1 minute. There was basically like a little channel pattern. Excuse me, descending triangle pattern. Now it's starting to break out and above it, which is what I like.
And then check out what it looked like on a 5 minute.
We are seeing some return to normality.
Yeah, we going, bro. We going. The move. It's literally like I'm extremely confident that it's literally dip buys, bro. Like every pullback is a dip buy. Like there's very rare times in the market where like it literally performs like that, where it's like, yo, every pullback, dip buy, pullback, dip buy. So, I mean, granted that it holds specific level, voila.
Oh,
You know what I'm saying?
Yep. Yep.
Yeah, exactly why. Going.
Check out the chat.
Going.
Oh, yep. NQ overall breaking interview up to the top side. Yeah. I think we got something. Let's read it. Merry Christmas, traders. Just wanted to pop in. Wish everyone a wonderful weekend. You 100% there. Let's get ready for it. Yeah, buddy. Merry Christmas, deck. Yeah, buddy. All right, let's see it.
Order filled.
Taking some profits on NQ. Another buy limit at 17,015. Now you want to go? Now you want to do what you're supposed to do?
Oh, man. What a beauty right now, bro. I'm just holding out on ES. Look for S&P to continue up here. Want to see it break that 7520 again?
Might have missed my buy on RTY at the 55, 56 area.
RTY, there it goes. Fine. I knew it was going to break above that. I just didn't know when.
Were you big in it? Is that why you couldn't hold the position?
No, I was only holding two RTY. Not micros, though, but minis. So, like, nothing massive, but
yeah.
They do move, rather quick. I think I was down, like, 350 on it. Let's see here. In ES, thinking about getting an NQ as well.
Yeah, I'm looking. I just got in at 20. And then I wanted to get in at 15, but it didn't look like it was gonna give it to me. So I'm just like, fuck it. Let me just go with this.
Right.
She ready to go. She Oh, she ready to go.
Oh man, bro.
When
Order
do you
filled.
think markets will pull
Intense.
back? 2024, possibly the first quarter, man. I think possibly the first quarter. If we don't make a like, if we end up making another new high for 2023, I think, yeah,
Yeah, I think.
I'm thinking 2024, the first quarter, but we'll see. I mean, it's literally.
Order filled.
I'll NQ again, another 10-point scalp.
Look at
That's
Bessie.
all I'm doing, bro. That's all I'm doing, yo. I'm coming in. I'm rebuying again at 20, at 1720. It pulls back. I'm gonna continue doing this until I get the
Stop
break of
filled.
the high today and the new high. Like,
Yeah,
and
buddy.
this is what I love about this market in days like this, right? It's like, yo, it pulls back, you buy. It goes up, you take profits. And
Yup.
you just continue repeating this process till you can't repeat it no more. I'm saying once you can't repeat it no more, it's like, all right, cool, we done.
I agree.
And
Yup.
yes, I like look at the levels. So if you look at my chart, the right here, 15 minute, I got the levels. Right now we're literally fluctuating between 1710 and 1741. So every time we come here and we hold 1710, I'm buying. If it doesn't look like I'm gonna get that 1710, I'll chase it. And then as soon as I get 10 points, I'll take that. That's $200 a whop.
Yup. That's smart.
It's like, yo, you make 200 every 2 minutes, 3 minutes, or a minute and a half.
Yeah, I mean,
I
like,
almost feel like one.
I was gonna say, I mean, like, I feel like that's a good RR ratio. I don't know. Something about me says that's pretty good. If I can make $200 every single minute, I think I'll take it.
Bro, right? Like, yo, even if it's every 5 minutes, like, yo, bro, you make $200 every 5 minutes, bro. You do that shit for a half hour now, you gonna be you gonna be
right.
chilling.
Yup. It's gonna be a good Christmas.
Be chilling. Good end of the year too.
Oh man.
Cause I got some plans for 2024, man. It's like I had a vision this morning. I don't know what it was, but this morning, bro, like, I think was it I got up at first I got up at like 1:30, then I got up at 4 and then got ready for the gym. But before waking up, bro, it's like I had like um I had like a dream where it's like I was just deciding which card to get. Was I getting a Pista or a SVJ? And I was like, let me get the Pista, man. I was like, let me get the Pista. Then I was like, you know what? I was like, fuck this shit. I was like, give me both.
Yup. There we go. Dude, that's a good problem to have.
Um,
That's an amazing. Which one do I get, huh? It's a great problem to have.
Bro, like, yeah, which one? Which one? I'm like, yo, it's coming, man. It's coming. It's like once I lock a few things in, let me get that. Give me that in red and give me that in purple.
He said, "Give me in red and purple." Yeah, buddy, dude. Oh, I'm glad to hear, bro.
SVJ will be in purple, but the Ferrari has to be red. It has
Oh,
to be
dude,
red.
100%, bro. I agree with that statement. Red Ferrari, bro. You know, red, or you can get like Jordan Belfort type white. Ooh.
Nah, I'm not doing it. Like, bro, like it's always been, nah. Like, red is my favorite color, bro. Red is my favorite color. Like, in high school, dude, I used to wear so much red that in the area that I live, like people used to think I was like like I was part of like the Bloods or something.
Oh,
Like, bro,
really?
I was red, like, bro, like hardcore. Then I started, changing it up, adding green, adding blue. Then when I started modeling, the agency was like, yo, like they gave me all the colors that like wouldn't really go with my complexion. I was like,
Order
okay, you gotta
filled.
start rocking some yellow, wear some orange, all these vibrant colors and whatever. And I did. But prior to that, bro, it was just black and red, black and red.
Oh, okay. Red's one of my favorite
So
colors as well. Yeah, dude. I had a nice little like red BMW for a little while. I think it was one of my first cars. It was nice. It wasn't like super. It was a little 3 Series. It wasn't like an M or anything. It was a nice
I
little.
was just about to say that. Yo, these sound nice, bro. Like,
Yeah, right.
especially if with old school M3s.
You're right, dude. Yeah, it was a 99, little 99. It was nice. I liked it. It was my little beat bot. I remember I stuck a sub in it, bro. Oh my goodness, it was convertible. So like, hey, dude, it would just thump. I remember that. Oh, those are good days. Yeah. Oh, I was thinking about getting another red car. I like the
Yeah.
Z's, the BMW Z series, the little red ones.
Oh yeah, so I like those. I like the front end of them too. Yeah. I'm a big fan. I'm a big fan of BMWs, bro. I love BMWs, but I gotta say, man, I gotta say that Mercedes, kind of done stole my heart a little bit from from BMW, bro. Because like I don't like the new cars that BMWs don't like the front ends, bro. And it's like
Oh
I just
yeah.
don't like the front ends, like the new M4, the fives. I'm just like, I don't like that big ass nostrils in the front. I'm like, nah, like, and Mercedes, bro, like Mercedes, this thing is it's just sleek and sexy, bro. I just be like,
I
you
get
gotta
no,
step
I
it
get
up.
what you're saying. 100%. Yeah, there's certain ones I like. I don't like the eyes. I don't mind like okay for the price of the eyes, even though they have like a little four beater in them, they're really not like all that. But like for the price of them, they're kind of worth it. But like yeah,
Wow.
dude, I
You
agree
know,
that yeah they're all electric though, so it's like. But I kind of want like one of those like
I'm not a fan of electrical cars.
what's up?
I'm, I'm not a fan of the electrical cars. They can miss me with all that.
No, bro, I don't, dude. I don't even.
Oh,
The thing is,
bro.
they're gonna like force
They're
us into it.
ugly, bro. They're so ugly. They're ugly. Like, yo, nah, bro. It's like, nah, miss me. I'm all set. Like, bro. Oh, bro, Mustang fan, bro. I love the GT50, bro. Oh my God. Like, not too many cars, not too many cars like has like that whole natural aspirated engine, but the Mustang was it is it the 350? The 350R? Bro, like that's on my list of toys to get. Like
Oh yeah.
and I definitely yeah, bro. I love Mustangs, bro. Like I grew up. My mom she had my mom had a white Mustang, and my godmother had a red one. So it's just like as a kid, bro. Like yo, them things was fun. Whew.
Yeah,
Yo,
bro.
two little ladies, bro. Yo, two little ladies, man, just kicking it in the freaking Mustangs, bro. I was like,
Oh man, dude. Yeah, I had a buddy. He had one of those old little like what was that? I think it was the old little GT thing. It was like a 2003. Nah, I think that's what it is.
Field.
They're not bad cars. They're pretty good looking. But yeah, dude, he had one of those, and yeah, that was my Mustang experience.
Order filled.
So I cannot complain about it. There we go. So just got out of ES, by the way. There, just got out. A little pullback there. Let me see. Let me see if I can find it. 2000. Was it 2003? Ford Mustang GT. I think that is it. It wasn't crazy or anything, but dude, it was loud, bro. Yep, that was it. Yep, it was loud, dude. That was like my thing, bro. That's what like kind of got me into like. No, I don't know. I don't know why. I've never been like. I don't mind Mustangs. Love them, but there's certain things about Mustangs that just like. You know, I don't know. I don't know.
exhaust, the exhaust, right out, the exhaust like factory exhaust, bro. It's just like yo,
Oh yeah, dude.
the
Order
rumble,
filled.
the rumble, dude. Back in long on NQ
There we go.
1710. Yeah, bro. I love muscle cars, bro. Muscle cars, I'm a fan. I mean, honestly, I can say I like them all. There are some cars that like I just never was a fan of. Like I thought it
Order
was like for
filled.
old people, like the Maybach.
Oh yeah, bro.
Yo, then after being in one, riding one, driving one, I'm just like, yo, like that shit's pretty straight. I was like,
Yo.
oh damn, like yo, and it pulls, dude. It pulls, and that's where I say like, yo, Mercedes, bro, like. Mercedes doing their thing, bro. Like from the Maybach to the G wagon to even to the GLE, bro. And then their roasters, the AMG GT, bro, the R line.
They be getting it,
Yo,
bro.
every year it gets sexier and sexier and sexier. And now their new C class that they came out with, bro. Like,
Oh yeah, bro.
yo,
Dude, yeah, I was gonna say that
when I tell
Maybach.
when I tell you, huh?
I was gonna say the Maybach you're whipping. You like that?
Oh, the Maybach is sexy as hell.
Yeah, bro.
Sad. Let me
Oh
tell
man.
you, bro. Like, yo, I'm telling I was one of those people. I'm like, yo, so I was like, that's just for old men, like old retired men and whatever. But like the more I whip Mercedes, bro, and I'm just like, yo, shit, cause I had an X5,
Mm.
I had an X5, and then I had I had a 1993 3 series, bro,
Oh, there we go.
and it
Nice.
was like
Order
taking
filled.
profits on NQ plus 20 points,
Nice.
rebuy again at 1710.
Yup. Yeah,
Yo,
dude.
this is literally ping pong for me right now. So another rebuy at 1710 for NQ. Let's see if I get filled. But yeah, bro, like I've always loved Beamers. Like when it comes to tuners, I a car that I gotta find one day is the Nissan Skyline GT
Oh,
R34.
yes,
Like
bro.
that, bro, like has to be
Expensive.
in my
Expensive, bro.
garage.
Like, yes.
Yeah, that the Supra. I wasn't a big fan of the new Supra, but I do like that now they're coming out with a manual version
Right.
of it, which is great. I'm not a big fan of the modern Skyline that, Nissan came out with, because, it's automatic, like you're not shifting. And no disrespect to anyone that drives, automatic or whatever, but it's like, yo, you are not 100% driver
Yeah.
if you can't drive manual.
Yeah, bro.
If you
Cause
can't drive manuals, like, yo, you are like, you can drive, but you ain't the driver.
you're
You know what I'm
right. You're
saying?
right.
Like, yeah. So yeah. So for me, it's just like any car. Like, yo, I love stick shift. Like, I had a Lexus IS 300, bro. Yo, I used
Order
to whip
filled.
that thing, bro. Like I was in, like I was in Fast and the Furious.
Really?
Yeah, bro. Oh, bro. When I tell you I can drive, bro, I can drive.
See, I like to think I
Like,
can, and that's why I ended up crashing my first car. So, you know, yeah, man. So it's great. Drifting, bro. That's the thing I can't do. Drift. I'm
That's
not.
that's the- that's the one thing that I can't do either. I've done it, but the way I've done it is using the e-brakes,
Oh yeah,
which
yeah.
yeah. So but when it comes to, bro, like driving, cornering, all of that, I mean, from motorcycles to cars, like, yeah, bro,
Right.
ain't
I
no
agree.
joke.
Yeah,
I've
dude.
even gone to like racetracks. I've even done it on the racetracks as well too. I mean, I did have some professional coaching, I will say that,
Yeah.
but I was driving on some other level before taking that, and then after, like, getting like professional coaching, bro.
It was raps. He said it was raps. Yo.
It's bad, bro. It's like like the only thing I say that so far I haven't driven yet is a plane. Like anything from trucks
he,
to
he said, yo,
forklifts,
that's the next thing on the
18
list.
wheelers. It's like, bro, CDL, like, yo, like I can drive it. It's just I just haven't driven a plane, but that's on the list. That's on the list.
Understandable.
That is on
Yeah,
the
I have yet
list.
to whip a plane as well. I will admit. That is yeah, not something I do on the daily. But yeah, I think the I don't know. So I got a buddy that he works with the BMW, like the local BMW like store, I guess it would be, or whatever dealership in the area, and he'll like deliver cars for them, right? And like he had this nice like little like 5 series or something that was pretty quick. I don't know what it was, but that's the best I've gone so far, bro. Bro, but like I don't know, man. I feel like there's just something about like my favorite kind of car ever would have to either be a G wagon or it's gonna have to be a one of those like Ferrari Spiders, man. You know what I mean? Like
Ferrari Spider.
I
Oh, what
think.
model?
Let me
The
see. I
488, the 458,
I just know it's
California. I don't like California.
you do really. You like it or don't?
No, I don't like California. The front end is just eh. I don't like it. I like the 812 fastback. Uh,
Oh,
I love the piece,
there it is.
the 488.
Yep, the
I'm not a
488.
big
That's
fan of the new model. Was it the 912?
right.
I'm not a new fan of that. But I love the 488. I love the 458. The Pista, the 488 Pista,
Right.
model, and I like the 812 fastback.
Okay. Well, there we go. Yeah, yeah, dude. Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah, it's definitely the 488. I was taking a look at that. Yeah, the California. Actually, I remember looking that up. You know, California, the Ferrari California is the most disliked Ferrari ever made. You know that?
Bro, yeah, I'm not. It just looks weird to me, bro. Like, just the front looks weird. The whole aesthetic of it is just like, bro, like to me it comes off as like mediocre. Like the so all right, so I'm going to Italy in July, right?
Yeah.
And I'm like, yo, like out there, like yo, I gotta go check out the Ferrari museum, the Lambo museum. And I'm like, yo, and for the time that I'm gonna be there, it's like, yo, I'm definitely renting a Ferrari and I'm definitely
Right.
renting a Lambo, right?
Yep.
And then through the whole, I was shown California, and I was like, hell no. I was like, I'm not renting. If that's what they have for me to rent, I was like, I'm not renting it and whatever. And then it was like, yo, but it's a Ferrari. I'm like, nah, bro. I was like, it's a California. I'm good.
Yeah. Right,
Like,
dude.
I'll go,
I feel like
I'll go rent the Beamer before I do the California. I'm like, I'm all set. I was like, if it ain't a 488 or a 458 or a Pista or a fat or 812 fastback, I was like, I'm not doing it.
you're right. Let me see. Let me see. Yeah, I don't know. I don't know
Good
why.
view.
I kind of get what people mean. I mean, if you look at some of these like Californias, they just don't look like a Ferrari. They kind of give me like
Nah.
they give me like when I see them, I almost see like an Aston Martin, bro. Like I'm not even gonna lie. Like if I take a look at an Aston Martin looks more like luxury or whatnot, which is kind of cool. But like Ferrari's known for sport, right? Like it's a sports car. Like it's known for the performance. It's known to be quick and everything. And you take a look at this, and it's not. Like, let me just go to, I seen it, what is that, 2014? Let's go to 2014. The specs on a 2014 Ferrari California. Let's see.
It gives me soccer mom vibes.
Soccer mom vibe. For
And no
Ferrari.
offense to anyone, if you are a soccer mom watching on the stream, I apologize.
Yeah, right? I mean, it's still pretty quick. Okay. 483 horse. I don't know if that's to the wheel. It doesn't say. But that's still not bad. I mean, that's decent. But
It's
for,
not bad. It's
yeah.
not. It's just the aesthetic of it. Like the whole aesthetic of it is just like, okay, yeah, it's still a Ferrari, but then it's like you're just doing something because okay, yeah, it's the name brand. It's like, nah, bro, if you're gonna do it right. And if
Right.
I can't do it right, I'm not doing it at all.
Yup. And I agree, dude. I don't know. My buddy, he has a dude. I don't, bro. He's a worker. Let's go with that. He's a grinder. He has a little little C6 Corvette, but he replaced the engine in it because the last one went or something. I forget like what happened. There was like a weird noise. You know, like you hear a noise in your car and you're like, damn. But something went wrong in it, and he put it in the shop. The shop ended up giving him a new engine or whatnot. And actually now he's pushing 500. I don't know if that's to the wheel. I'm not quite sure. But yeah, he's pushing. He says he's pushing 500 horse. I've been in it. Now I don't know what 500 horse usually supposed to feel like, but I know he's pushing something. All right, I'll tell you that. All right, and that little
Yeah.
C6. I remember going to the golf course, bro.
Bro,
He was ripping it, dude. And I'm
To
like,
be honest with you, like there are some cars, bro, like yo, you tune them up where you put a turbo in it, you upgrade the intake valve, the airflow, bro. Some good, you don't need, some of them you don't even need to like mess with the suspension, but like some good wheels, yo, and a lot of cars, like if you upgrade them properly, bro, they're gonna smoke factory Lambos. They're
oh,
gonna smoke factory Ferraris, and some of them may even smoke a Bugatti, bro. Like
yeah,
I seen a dude. He had a 1300 horsepower Skyline,
really?
bro. Yeah, like there's some stuff out there that's like insanity. There's a company in Texas, bro. Yo, they be souping up the shit out of Corvettes,
Okay.
Dodges. I think they're called Hennessy.
Okay.
Yeah, so like there's a few companies out there, dude. Like, yo, you give them a car and whatever that has potential. Like, the Corvette. I would say like you want to do the Z. Was it the Z80 86?
The Corvette
Um,
wise.
yeah, bro. Like, yo, you give them, yeah, you give them. I think it's a Z86. Dude, you give them that car, bro. Like, and you let them do their thing to it, bro. They're gonna get you to like almost 1,000 horsepower.
Really?
You're gonna smoke any red eyes
Oh
on
yeah.
the streets. You know what I'm saying? Plus, yo, the body, like the dimensions of the car, it's smaller, so you're gonna be able to corner better than a bigger body car and stuff like that, dude. Like, yo,
Have you ever seen
yeah, there's something.
the new Hellcat, the 2024? Yo, have you seen it? I think it's a
No,
Hellcat.
I haven't.
Oh my goodness, bro.
Nah.
The electric. I think it's an electric Hellcat.
Oh,
It
nah.
is
Oh, yeah, yeah. I saw it,
hilarious.
bro. Nah, artificial, bro, with the artificial sound, bro, like
Yeah, bro.
revving sound.
Yup.
Disappointment. I don't care if the shit goes as fast as the Lucid. Like,
Bro. Oh my.
no, like there, you can't like imitate the rumbling. Like when you get it behind a muscle car, bro, or like a gas powered car, bro, and yo have that shit on park and you're hitting that gas and you just feel that shit rumble like yo, like it's like
Yup.
a lion, a tiger getting ready to pounce, bro. Yeah, like that feel, that sensation that you get, bro, like you ain't getting that with these electrical vehicles.
Yeah, you're really not,
Bro,
dude.
and my biggest thing with the electrical vehicles is, bro, it's like they can be hacked and controlled.
Wait, what?
Teslas, bro. People that leased or bought Teslas, right, and stopped making their payments. Guess what? The Tesla drove itself back to the dealership.
No way. You mean for real?
I'm for real.
That is.
Like the biggest thing, the my biggest issues with electrical vehicles is that one, it's not that green that they make it to be, right?
Mhm.
Because guess what?
The
The
energies.
charging station
Yup.
that you're using to charge your Tesla, where's that energy coming from? That energy is coming from a power plant that is burning fossil fuel,
Yeah, the same
oil.
thing. Yeah,
It's
you're doing
burning.
the same thing except you're just not putting it in your car now.
But now the thing with the electrical vehicles, like now you're creating another potential environmental hazard, right? Because how are you guys gonna dispose of all these batteries?
Yes, that was my thing, bro. All those batteries, here's my thing. Come 10, 20, 30 years from now, when we get these models that break or whatever, people don't want them, you can't just, like, we're not, that's why we're not supposed to throw batteries in the trash, right? It's like, you're supposed to properly dispose of a battery for your car. You know what I mean? It's like, but what do you do with these massive batteries that are just left on the side of the road, or like they just are tossed in backyards, and now you got like, what is that? That lithium, all that stuff burning little like freaking holes into our, like, it's crazy, man. It's like, I don't know. I don't think I think they're thinking of it. I think they do have a plan, but it's not what we think. You know what I mean? Obviously they have a plan, but
It
it's
ain't.
probably not what we think. You know?
Yeah, it's not as green as it's projected to be, bro, because the energy that it's coming from is still from that. So it's just like it's counterproductive in my opinion. Now, again, I wouldn't mind having one or whatever, but like literally in my fleet, there would literally only be one electrical vehicle, and preferably one that cannot drive itself. Like I'm not gonna say I'm a control freak, but I like to be in control of my stuff. And to have my vehicle knowing that like, yo, this shit can drive itself and go wherever the hell is like, nah. And the biggest thing is like with technology and anything technological, bro, it can be hacked. You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So the more people get to where they're depending on technology for this, technology for that, what happens, yo, when your government or your country fucks around with the wrong person, right? And now all of a sudden your infrastructure or your shit was being hacked, or let's say you out here flaunting crazy, right? And your shit all runs on electric on a technology. Somebody hacks your car or somebody has it out for you, and they fucking hack your car to do whatever, or they hack your home, bro. Like I don't want to get into the whole conspiracy aspect of stuff,
They
whatever. But
can.
it's
They
just
can
like
do it.
you can't be lazy to where it's like, yo, you're gonna be relying on technology and machines for everything. I'm like, now people like with the whole AI thing, it's a great tool to have, but a lot of people are going to be too dependent on it. And if it gets to the point where like, yo, AI is going to cause a lot of people to lose their jobs. Look at what happened when they started doing all these robots, right? That they can program to to work in these factories. Yo, half of the force of the factory manufacturing got cut. People lost jobs. People went into depression and this, that, and the third, and whatever. I was like, the bottom line for the company grew because they no longer have to pay these wages, but the people suffered. You know what I'm saying? So this is the shit that like people are not really aware when they look at, technology and whatever. And I'm not saying technology is a bad thing. It's not, but you just can't have too much dependency on
Order
it, and you
filled.
can't have it in every aspect of your life. Like I've seen people that like, yo, they have straight up smart homes and this and the third and whatever. And it's just like, yo, what happens when somebody, hacks your shit and now, they have access to your home. They can enter your home all willy-nilly and whatnot. It's like, nah, bruh.
Right. And you really think about it, bro. Like, I don't know. I feel like humans, we need problems as a civilization. Like, we will make problems if we don't have any. And if you think about it, you're going to give all these people, oh, yeah, you don't need to work anymore. You don't need to do that. You don't need to do this. It's like, bro, what you're going to do for one is you're going to have people complaining that, okay, now we're out of jobs and stuff, which is understandable, which is very understandable. And what a lot of people think, and what I'm thinking of, is people think that we're going to, like, replace, like, the average guy that works at, like, you know, maybe he's, like, a trash guy or whatever. He's, like, a garbage spot. I think the things that are gonna get replaced, more or less, are gonna be like I would say more or less like traders, right? Like us, not even gonna lie. Like if we're not independently bound, right, trading, we can obviously be replaced by AI. It comes out to the point to where you can make AI robots that, you know what I mean? They have that level of intelligence to understand the market at a different level than what we do. They obviously are just going to replace all trading floors or whatnot. You think about, you know, big names, big, you know, tech names. You think about security jobs. You think about all that. Like, there's so much more to it than just the average, like, hey, just the average little things. They might start with that. I agree there. They might start with the average little thing, but I don't think they're going to stay there. I think it's obviously going to evolve to the point to where humans need problems as being a human. We need problems, right? Or else we will create some. That's where civil wars come in. That's where, you know, big, massive problems will resolve, and the, you know, the government's gonna, you know, it's gonna get rough. So that's my takeaway on it, man. I just think humans have to have something to do, or else we get lost in our mind, and then it gets crazy, bro. That's basically how it is, dude. So, yeah, buddy.
Yeah.
Order filled.
Seeing what's gonna happen here. We're selling off a little bit more than I like right now. I was in two little micros, still up on the day, but I'm sitting here right now. I'm thinking about a dip buy off this. What are we at? 6? Oh, let this fall. Let this fall. I'm not in yet. Let's see here. Here's our crack. Maybe this is it. We're gonna see. Hold on. We're at the 200 day on every single level here, so I want to see.
Order filled.
Going long. We're getting close to the London close, so I'm thinking
Order
that's why
filled.
we're selling off. So I'm in at 69.99.50. There we go.
Let me see this come back up here. Yup, I'm in as well. On 10, I want to see this rip back up to the top side here. If it can push back up to the price of NQ back up to 10 would be beautiful. S&P back up to the price of 474.60. Now we will see, obviously, if this is going to continue. I have those 200 days marked. We're not breaking any of them, so I love it. I love that we're holding. I love that we held as well. Beautiful dip buy. I'm filled at 02. What do you feel at?
I'm filled at 69.99.
There we go. Okay, you got under that 1700 fill. Ah, man. There we go. Darth Trader, hey, what's up, buddy? He said, Joe, what did I just walk into? How you walked into debate class. Me and Cesar get into it sometimes, you know? We get into them debates. Not even debates. We're just kind of talking, really. It's just conversation.
Just discussions, you know, we talking cars, models, what we like, you know. I'm talking about my conspiracy side of electrical vehicles, how I don't like the fact that they can be hacked and essentially, you know, controlled, which I'm not a fan of. And like I said, I don't want to say I'm a control freak, but I like to be in control of my shit.
Well, yeah, I mean, and that's understandable as well. I feel like anyone would love that. I don't know, about the self-driving thing, because what happens, bro, if one of those if it, like, malfunctions or whatever, dude, you're done, bro. Like, yeah.
What you have? Bro, there's been several accidents with Teslas with the whole self-driving mode and stuff like that. Like people think like it's completely self-drive, like by itself, and it's like no. And you know, some accidents have happened. And the thing with technology, like it takes time to like perfect it. You know what I mean? And the fact of the matter that it's like, yo, shit can get hacked. It's like, nah, bro, I'm not with it. Like to the point where like in my fleet of cars, bro, like I'm definitely gonna have like something in like the early 90s or like from like the 60s to the 80s, where like literally the only thing that's in there, bro, is a FM AM radio. That's it.
Yup,
That's it.
Smart. Because, bro, what if like we're gonna go even deeper into conspiracies, bro? Like if USA or something gets hit with like an EMP, you ever think about that?
Yeah, bro, I've thought about that. bro, the movies that I've been seeing, whatever, and especially, bro, recently when I watched, oh, what a pullback.
Oh, that's a
Um,
sell off.
especially, yeah, and
Order
especially
filled.
recently, like I watched
Order filled. Order filled.
That Netflix movie, Leave the World Behind.
Yeah, I don't know how I just got filled there.
Bro,
Boys, I just got filled.
bro,
Hold on, I accidentally.
bro.
Give me one.
Order filled.
Adding to NQ, cost average now is 19,987. This was the pullback I was looking for at the open. We just got it now. Beautiful. Look at that, right down to the 70. Marvelous. Marvelous. Nice bounce off 70. But yeah, so yo, watching that, bro, I was like, holy shit. Yo, it just brought certain perspectives in
Order
and whatever.
filled.
And like, and I've already like thought about stuff like scenarios like that where, you know, having like a gold bag, or having, things to the side in case, you know, something dramatic happens and stuff like that.
Right.
But dude, yeah, like definitely that. Like I even have one of those little pouches that protects your electrical devices in the event of like
Order
an
filled.
EMP. And an EMP, like it doesn't have to be set off like, you know, like a bomb. Like if somebody hit a couple of transformers or connected a couple of transformers and overloaded, the explosion of that would cause an EMP, right? I mean, probably like something it wouldn't have like a great deal of range, but yeah, but I have a couple of pouches where I keep my, phone and devices in, like when I'm not around or whatever.
Mhm.
So if something was to happen, and again, it's not saying that that's going to, but it's just something
Right.
to have in the event,
Yep. Yeah, it's understandable.
But yeah,
100%. Yeah. So
Yeah,
Steve
man.
here chilling out.
That's cool.
Yeah, I kind of actually, I clicked that short button a little bit too much. I got filled on the short down towards there. I didn't TP or whatever when I was up a little bit. Now I'm in the long. I am sitting in the long, so it's okay.
Slow, slow.
That dip. Oh, that'd be. Oh, this would be so good if this is an AMD strategy.
Look at that. Look at that. Look at you go. You go, girls.
Continue to spike Ripperoo
Do me
here.
right.
Wow.
Do me right. Like I said, pull back for the London close and let's go.
There it goes. I think. What do you think we can hit here? I don't know. I think AMD strategy. Think we can take off?
What is the AMD strategy, yo? Because someone asked me that yesterday, and I'm just like, yo, like I keep my shit real simple. So, what is the AMD strategy?
So AMD strategy is basically you see.
Let me tune into your chat. Hold on, let me
Alright.
tune into your chat so
Yeah,
I
let me
can
actually
see
do
what you're
this.
about to show on the screen.
All right,
Okay.
let's see this here. Okay, so even on a simple chart like this, here, let me snip this real quick. Hold on, actually, let me bring this down so you can see this better. And I have that stop placed.
Okay.
All right.
Yep, I see.
All right, so on this chart here, right? So what we got going on right here. So you would have I'll do it in blue, right? Is this blue? Yes. Okay. So you would basically have right here, it basically would start at this little shelf here, right? So right here is going to be your A, right? Your accumulation, right? So it's accumulating, it's kind of chopping around, not doing much, right? Then you have your manipulation. So this giant pullback to the downside, which is going to get a lot of shorters in, being like, oh, it's going down, it's going down, it's going down, blah, 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 blah. And then D would be the distribution coming up into play, which if I can get this to go green here, boom, your distribution would be the second that your entry is supposed to be kind of up here. So like, let's say this continues to chop up and it comes up to here, you get in where your basically your accumulation stopped, and that's your distribution then. So then usually it's basically the fake out breakout, you know what I mean? Like it comes down, it fakes to the downside and spikes back up there. It's called AMD strategy just because there's accumulation, manipulation, distribution. That's just one of them I use, you know, and once again, it depends on where your entry is. Like I said, my entry should have been near 474.60 up there, only because that's where you'll start to get your takeoff. If you get in near the top here, like 475.40 or whatnot, it's not bad. You missed a majority of the move. Now you're just catching the breakout then, right? So that's kind of what it is. So yeah, and obviously sometimes, you know, it depends on what you're getting in on, depends on how you're trading it, depends on what the ticker looks like in general. But that's basically what it is there. I don't know if you saw that, but yeah. So yeah, and a lot of times it's just basically you're looking for those buyers to come in off those lows and take it away, which they do sometimes. So yeah.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, buddy. So yeah. So I want to see if this is one of them. Now it's pulling back here. I want to see if this is a pullback or if this is going to be another. Like right here, this would need a rip up, basically reverse sandwich pattern. Look for that to come up.
Setting a buy at
Stop filled.
16,980.
Yeah, I think I need to get filled here as well, something like that. I want to get filled down near those lows. I want to see S&P. Like, how far can S&P really pull back? Huh. Underneath that view.
Well, this can pull back another 7 points or so.
Okay.
Order filled.
Okay, filled. And NQ looking like it might pull down to 16,960.
Down to 60, eh?
I'm only in 2 micro, so I'll leave room to add if it comes down there. If it comes down there, I'll add 2 minis. RTY coming down to that 2049 area, beautiful, which is what I was looking for. I was hoping for this pullback. Damn, ask me why didn't I short if I was looking for a pullback this deep?
Shit, right?
It's like, why, bro? Like, why didn't you just, short this pup?
The middle part being.
I think it might be a double bottom though. NQ, it looks good.
Order filled.
Starting to push back above 80 there. I like it. I want to see it kind of hold up here and start to reverse here on S&P as well. Beautiful double bottom play if it can. I want to get green and get out, basically. I want to have one of those days. Get green and get out. I was green a little bit, then that pullback obviously, took the cherry on the cake. And maybe me playing the long side. We'll see.
There are certainly some positive signals which I think have negated the yield curve inversion.
6.9 coming up, might have to be the stop, and then might re-enter back at 60.
Okay.
Yeah, coming down there.
Order filled.
Did have to get out there, yup. Short City, man. Oh man, those shorts would be clean, bro. But yeah, gotta wait. I gotta wait. Look at that. Don't make that be the low. Don't make that be the low, you dirty dog.
That what normally would have triggered a mild recession.
Look at that, bro. Wow.
Order filled.
Still respecting that. None of us. Queen, did you catch it? Let's see. If you did and you ain't tell us nothing.
Wow.
S&P 500 is 21. It was 15 14 days.
Queen, did you take that short and you didn't tell us nothing? Because you know you the shorting queen. That's what you should change your name to. Shorting queen.
Is priced in, and a factor that I think maybe we should think about is obviously this has been a very lopsided leadership debate.
70 was respectful.
Index. It is, which is something I would like to see, and that's been my main.
I'm right there with it. Oh man, dude, I would love for this red to green. Nice, beautiful here, NQ. Come on, buddy. Come on, buddy, NQ. Let's start to push up on those highs here. Let's start to push up on some of those highs. Make this a good Friday, end of Friday day. Come on, baby. There we go. Let's see it. Let's see you start to take off on me. Let's see you start to take off on me, S&P, NQ, ES. NQ overall, right there. Push that high there. Push that high there. Right there, Cronky. Push it. Starting to push it. I like it. I want to see a hold above it now. Hold above that 9-day EMA there. Starting to do it. I love it. I love it. I want to see S&P continue to these highs here. Wow, what a beauty, man. Let's see it. Let's see it push here. Start to break those highs. Take off on me. Nice. Love it. Love it. Love it. Love it, man. Let's see it. Break that 200 to the top side. Break that 200 to the top side. I know you got a needle. Just like butter. Just like butter,
Order
S&P.
filled.
Right there. There we go. There we go. Starting to break it. Starting to break it. Oh, it's so close, man. I want to red to green here if I can. S&P has yet to barely move too much off that.
Order filled.
Market capitalization of the stock market. So I follow this. Obviously, we're a big player in the money market industry.
So close to that takeoff.
It's around 11%. That's fairly typical. Like major bottoms and it spikes up to 17, 18%. At major tops, maybe goes below 10. But even though 5.7 trillion is a lot of money sitting in there, my guess is that a good chunk of that came from the banks, of course.
They're the same thing it did yesterday. Ran up, pull back, bounce. On the next run up, if we don't clear the highs, we're gonna end up probably coming to clear the lows and then run up toward the end of the day.
There we go. It's close. It's so close. I feel like S&P can kind of guide this thing up with NQ overall, holding that 9. I just got a feeling, oh man, it's so good. I got a feeling it could just spike here. It's so close. S&P's holding up. That's what I love. I want to see it break those highs. Getting up there, S&P. NQ overall. Let's see it, buddies. Let's see it, boys. Let's see it. Come here, S&P. Break that 200 to the top side, S&P. Break that there. NQ overall break 1468. Starting to break it. Starting to push those highs again. Want to see them all break here. They'll start to take off, rip and run. NQ coming up. Want to see NQ break that 200 day, man. It's right there. They're all right there, man. Ah, they're so close. I know they got it. They got it. They got it right here. Next candle form. I like it.
14 months of gains in the index. So again, you look at the S&P 500 equal weighted index instead of the cap weighted index.
Yeah.
That is still in a range. That is very
What a beauty. Starting to take off.
Nice, nice, nice. Nice. Go on with your bad sell.
1700 coming into play. S&P above that. I like seeing these highs come in, guys. I love seeing these highs come in, man. It's following the S&P 500 very clean. There it goes, boys. There it goes, ladies and gentlemen. I want to see this come up here. I want to see this continue to rip and run on me. Have until the S&P's 50 day up there, at the very least. Nice, red to green. Hit me with it, bro. Hit me with it. Hit me with a red to green right here. Above 1700, I want to see hold. Nicely done. Holding up. Holding up nicely. I want to see a red to green here. Come on.
The silver linings here of, if you think, oh my God, I missed this move because the index is already back at the all-time highs. That really has been dominated by a handful of stocks. And in the meantime, there's many, many other stocks that are still in the
S&P helping out severely here.
Watching closely for signs of that.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
After the break, Boston Celtics co-owner and Caps Group CEO and founder Steve Papio
He's so close to that breakout. Oh my goodness. Hit me with it.
Since the Dodgers shell out another $325 million for their latest star.
We will get to Nike plunging double digits on pace for the worst day since September of last year, even despite some improving inventory. Money Movers, be right back.
Oh my, what a beauty.
Come on, bro.
Oh yeah, buddy, it's right there.
Just get
S&P
back
goes
over
from red to green.
17.
Red to green here.
S&P push.
S&P can push up to that 50-day right now on this candle.
I'm looking for 1704.
Oh, both holding up. I like it. I like it. I like it. S&P taking off. S&P starting to get up there. I want to see it. I want to see it hold these highs and continue to push here, guys. Push this through that view up. I got a good feeling about it. I want to see NQ overall hold though as well. That's what will make me feel confident too. Holding up here nicely.
They gonna play. They gonna play. Okay, new 15-minute candle. Beautiful. Love the wick rejection on the previous 15-minute candle. Come on. We should see a test of 1710.
Yeah, buddy.
But I want 17.4.
1704, 1740.
Yeah, not 1704
Okay.
right now. At least for this, because I think we might see a little ejection at 1710.
Okay.
So I want to out before it. There you go. Come on. You're right there. You're really close.
Yup.
Really close. Come on. Stop playing with me. Come on. Come on. Just one more.
Expect that green to come in here. So close to it. So close to it. Any red to green
Might
here.
see it.
Like,
Might see it fully at 9:30. I mean at 11:30.
Check out shares at 90 today. Shares are getting crushed after slashing its sales outlook. Now expecting full year revenue. CFO Matthew Friend blamed the slowdown on some macro headwinds in China. And Europe
Order
as
filled.
some
I'll
weakness in
take it.
digital traffic.
Not down big on the day anymore. Small loss or whatnot, technically.
See that it's realized in the year to come.
It's a remarkable move in Nike today. Obviously, a huge run up leading into the print, but nonetheless, one of the worst days of performance in quite some time. Our next guest is looking beyond ChatGPT for the next advancement in AI, leading a seed round in liquid AI earlier this month alongside early Facebook investor Jim Breyer, the co-founders of GitHub, Spotify, and Red Hat. The MIT project turned startup is focused on making its AI models to have a better impact on the environment. Joining us with his outlook for AI investing in 2024 in the state, with private equity, Bain Capital Senior Advisor, Tax Group CEO, founder, and Boston Celtics owner. The resume, Steve. Come on, Steve. Definitely
Holding out. We're getting so close. We're getting so close.
I think you got it.
Yeah, it's just gonna be a little wait, you know, just a little wait. I see you scaled in and scaled out, huh?
Yeah, buddy. Yup. I used the method. All right, we're good to go. All right. Yeah, I was thinking about doing it.
How you feel?
We'll see if I re-enter. We'll see.
How you feel about it, right? It's like, yo, it's pretty good versus like, yo, you take some off at the top, and then if it starts pulling back and you close out a little, at least it's like you're gonna notice like your profit margin is going to increase a bit versus, you know, you leaving the full position to pull back and then you get out maybe just, you know, 10 points away from where, you know, you entered.
Right.
Because was it you fully exited? Where did you fully exit? 16.
Yeah,
was
like,
it 990? 96.
Yeah, like yep, 99550. Yep, right around it. Yep. That was my official exit. What was it? Yeah. Well, I kind of jumped in at first with like 40 contracts, right? And you know, large size just to make back, and it worked out. I mean, I'm not down big or anything on it, so it's like, pretty good, pretty good. I think you got your push here.
Yeah, I'm still waiting for the 04s. We're getting close. If it can clear over 1701, I'm just gonna lock in profits and then look to scale back in, because like
Yeah. The day to day, I don't know how I feel.
ooh, RTY.
I know. I was thinking about grabbing something on it. I might look at a trend line here and grab. Oh, it's actually above it. RTY. Yeah. Oh, let me load that up. Actually, let me go here. Let me go RTY H4. Maybe 2 contracts RTY.
I'm moving my
Order
take
filled.
profit to 1701.25. We'll get close.
Order filled.
Filled, and look at that. Watch the 04s hit, but it's all good. Can't be greedy, right? Can't be greedy.
Yeah, I agree.
Look at that.
There it goes. There it starts
Right
to take
there.
off,
Solid.
man. Wow. Well, of course, though, right?
How you gonna do it?
Oh man, dude. Yup. So chilling out. I did enter RTY. Just chilling out on it though. I like the push here. I do like it.
I'm with you on it. Come on, fill me. I'm trying to get in at 2059.40. Bro, don't play. I'm a bit late. I'm late to the party.
Yeah, a little bit of a push. It's
Wow,
breaking.
50 was it. 50 was it.
It was, dude. It's. Well, you said your TP hit.
No, I'm saying like 50. Like, remember I told you like I was looking to get in
Oh, yeah,
sub
yup.
20. Yeah, look, it's already up 10 points from it.
Damn, bro.
2049 was where I was looking. My alert went off. Anyone watching my stream probably saw it. And there it goes.
Well, above 60 here. Looking beautiful. I want to see this thing continue. No key. Or get a little dip by so you can get in. Either or.
As if it gives it to me.
Right?
I don't want to chase it up here. Just going. I should have just marked it. Oh. It's gone. Fuck it. No, I'm not messing with it.
Right. No chasing. Smart.
Order filled.
I'm scaling in long on NQ. I think we go back up to the highs. Like, ain't that a bottle?
Order filled.
Gotta add. Where's RTY?
RTY coming down a little bit.
Yeah, coming back. But I'm gonna just stick with NQ. She do me right, you know.
Right.
She act right for me. You know, I
Right.
know how she does. She pop a little attitude, you know what I'm saying? I just smack on the back of the head real quick, like come on, you know what's up.
Yeah, right.
And she go
something,
to let me stop. I don't want people to think I'm abusive.
Right. Start abusing the stocks, dude. You gotta talk to him.
Just joking. I am a gentle giant.
All right. So, yeah, I'm thinking RTY pullback. I might load up on some more.
Okay. Let's see. What's that smoke I see?
What'd you say?
I said, why am I seeing smoke on your screen?
Oh, cigar. Smoking a cigar.
Oh, you cracked open a cigar?
Oh yeah, buddy, bro. I've been toking them all for a minute now. Yeah, buddy. It's a little guy right now. I smoked most of it, but yeah, you already know. Just like it starts appearing, it's like, YB, what's he doing over there, buddy? It's like,
You know what, buddy?
yep.
Yo, on another screen, right? Open up my chat. Check out.
Okay, hold up. Give me 1 second.
I'll show you something.
Let's see it. Let's see. Give me 1 second.
Let me know when you can see my screen.
All right, good to go.
You good to go?
Yep. All right, let's see. Ah, haha, this guy. What you got there?
Fresh Cubanito, you know, straight from Cuba.
Okay. You got the good, eh? There
Yep,
we go.
Cuban,
dude.
official from Cuba, bro. This ain't no, buying this at a store, whatever, locally,
Right. He said, I went to Cuba, picked it up myself. He said, I picked that one out. Atta man, yo. That's what's up, dude. Yeah, dude, I gotta, I love the Cubans. Nothing wrong with them. Beautiful, beautiful. I mean, that's kind of what I like smoking. I don't like, I don't know. I'm not really like a cigarette kind of guy, Like, I don't like inhaling. I just like a good cigar when you're, streaming,
Mm-hmm.
So like, yeah, a couple of my buddies be like cigarette kind of people. I'm like, you guys do you, but yeah,
Order filled.
I prefer my stuff.
Where'd you go, bro?
What's up?
Said, where'd you go?
Oh, my live went down.
I don't see it.
Oh shit.
Yeah, your live one.
That happens randomly a lot. Just randomly goes down. YB, be careful with the law. Plain and simple. All technology can be hacked. Right. Yup. Oh yeah, we're all on the same page. Yup. All technology can be wild. These iPhones, man. iPhone 15 now, getting crazy.
Mm-hmm.
Order filled.
I'm long RTY.
There we go. Yup. Yeah, I got a little bit of a re-entry. I do like it though.
About to sit over here. Next thing I'm gonna have people like, yo, you smoke? I didn't know you smoke. Like, nah, bro, I don't smoke.
Right.
This is just a prop for, having a good day. It's like, yo, today we just smacking NQ, you know what I'm saying? We out here pulverizing. So it's like, yo, gotta do a little celebration, a little something. That's all.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, guys, I
Sounds good though.
don't always smoke, just cigars. that's it. You're like, I do smoke a lot of cigars sometimes. I get my little binges.
Bro, I went to a cigar lounge in Dubai, bro, and bro, I spent like $80 on a cigar, dude. Like I took a couple of puffs, I didn't like it, and I just tossed that shit.
No way, dude.
I'm just like, yeah, I'm not a fan of it. Like I hate this. Like when you light, like not lit, I can tolerate the scent, but like lit and whatever, like yo, I cannot.
Really?
Yeah, like I hate the smell and the taste. Like afterwards, like the taste that
Order filled.
that you have in your mouth, it's like, nah, I'm all set with this. Makes me lightheaded.
Right. And then yeah, that's something.
I'm light.
Yeah, I'm more of a like I don't mind the tobacco smell. What is it? Some like I don't know. Yeah, I do understand what you're saying though. The taste in your mouth sometimes, it's there. You can definitely taste it. I'll tell you that. See how like brush your teeth right after, get some floss, get it going. Makes you have good hygiene then, I guess, huh? Good oral hygiene.
Oh, me?
No, I said like if you smoke cigars, with that taste in your mouth right there, it's good. What is it? Good oral hygiene. Start brushing your teeth right afterwards. Start scrubbing, dude.
Yep.
All right.
Yeah.
So waiting out on RTY. Chilling out.
Taking a sweet time.
Yep. I think this is I think we're getting another rip and run here. I don't know. Yeah, we're getting another rip and run here. I want to see this thing start to take off. If S&P can break that view up, I think we're gonna reverse for the day and start to push the highs. RTY for the first time is like moving with S&P pretty nicely.
Yeah, I'm definitely going to be paying some more attention to RTY from 2024. Because, dude, like, I can literally show you, like, yo, I chart everything. I just don't trade them all.
Right.
Like, I be having levels. and like the time when you mentioned RTY, I'm like, yo, it's gonna pull the hair, and it went right to it, and it's just like, dude, like
If I would have
I
traded,
probably you know what, I was like mess around, like I probably should have definitely just left set a buy at the 2050, bro. Right now it'd have been massive profits.
right, right.
So good.
No, 100%. And that's how it is, dude. And it's like, you know, I agree. I mean, a lot of people, you know, they just don't, you know, you say a trade and they don't take it. I think that's why AK is doing that trade every alert challenge thing. You know what I mean? And he's been doing good on it.
I got it.
I was gonna say, if you did that, bro, you could be the same results, bro. You know, trade every alert challenge, going crazy, bro. Like,
If I traded every alert or trade that I set and say, dude, I would average 5% a day.
Well, here, hey, Cesar, buddy. Hey,
Literally.
Let's get on this then, huh?
Literally, cause look it, what did I tell you about NQ, right? Look, what did I look for it to pull back to? 16,970. We came right to 16,970 and we popped. Right now we're literally up. We're about to be up 40 points.
Right.
40 points, bro. 10 contracts, boom, 5 grand right there. 4
Yep.
grand right there.
Yep.
On top of what we've already scalped today. You know what I'm saying?
Yup, and that's
That's
true. That's how it works, man.
Yeah, so well, we gonna do that. Starting, I'm gonna say starting January 3rd. Let me look at my calendar real quick before I, bite off more than I can chew.
Yeah, right.
And let's see. Okay. So I wanna say starting January 3rd. All right. After streaming, I wanna say 6 p.m. Eastern, I will do chart review. Maybe it's probably better at night. Let me see, maybe 7. Yeah, we'll say 7. So 7 p.m. Eastern. I'm gonna put it on my calendar right now. So all you guys watching, 7 p.m. Eastern, starting January 3rd, 2024. At 7 p.m. Eastern, log into the chat room. I will be posting a Zoom link to where I will be doing weekly charting recaps. And I will also do weekends as well, preferably Sunday. So Sunday, I'll probably do Sundays like 5 p.m.
Right.
An hour before the futures market open. Because, bro, Sunday in the futures market, bro, easy money, like legitimately easy money. Shit, like I'll track the buys and sells through the dark pool Saturday and all of Sunday, and literally before the open, like I know, like, are we gonna gap up or gap down? Like the first 2 quarters of 2024, like this is OD obsession with the charting, with the trading, catching these opportunities, banking a ton of money the first 2 quarters, so then the last 2 quarters of the year we can just relax and maybe do like a in-person gathering or whatever. But right here right now, I'm telling you guys, starting January 3rd, 2024, 7 p.m. Eastern, I will be posting a link on the Telegram group for those of you guys that are in my Telegram group, on the chat in here on Tradecaster, and I will be doing chart reviews from cryptos to futures to stocks, because we are going to have a ton of opportunities. And if y'all want to see my charting skills, let me show y'all Tesla, right? Y'all saw someone came in here this morning and asked me about Tesla. I don't trade Tesla that often, but when I do, you know what I'm saying? But when I do, like, I got levels. I got levels on Tesla for days. Okay, so maybe not on this account I have all the levels, but yeah. Go back to that. Okay, so I don't have Tesla on there, so I'm gonna have to create an equity folio. I gotta clean this up a little bit because I have Tesla charted on my other account, and then weekend recaps on Sundays, and then Sundays at 5 p.m. Eastern. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna do a poll to see if you guys prefer mornings or evenings. I know later in the evening for those that are in the Middle East and overseas might be late. So maybe I can do Sunday mornings like 10 or 11 a.m. once I get back from the gym. So yeah, maybe Sunday we'll do mornings 10 a.m. Yeah, let's do that. Let me write this down. Sunday morning. So we'll do that. So let me make the note. Okay. 2024. You know what I'm saying? Because if I don't write this stuff down, I'm gonna completely forget.
Right. No, I agree.
3
Oh, S&P
Third.
sell off there. There we go. Potential dip buys coming across.
p.m. charting session review. Voila. And Sundays. And Sunday 10 a.m. All right. So there you guys have it. All right. Starting
Oh.
January 3rd. All right. 7 p.m. Eastern. Charting review. You can make Wednesday, but Sunday. No worries. So yeah. So, damn, you go to church on Sunday at 6 a.m.
Oh my. Whoa.
Holy shit! Talk about dedication.
Yeah, who's that?
But yeah,
That charting queen.
Ryan.
Oh,
So for those of you guys that can't make Sunday, that's fine. So on Wednesday, so because it's midweek, we can see like, okay, what's happening Monday, Tuesday, and we can see what it's gonna be moving forward. Sunday I
Order
will once I go over the reviews and mark out the levels, I'll try to maybe do like a whole like newsletter type thing, like how Deck does it, where I'll put out the ticker symbol, I'll type out the ticker symbol, and the area we're looking to buy and sell, and I'll see how I can upload a photo to it. Okay. 10 a.m. is, oh shit, okay. Gotcha. So yeah, all right. So I got that in. That's locked in. Make a reminder later.
There we go.
Mm-hmm.
So for anyone in my chat as well, you guys can catch Cesar. He will if you want to post that in my chat, that works. So catch you there too as well. Maybe I'll hop on one of those sessions with you. We can run it up.
Yeah. Let's just say I expect you to hop in on some, bro.
Word. I got you, buddy.
If we trying to bank the first few quarters, bro, I'm telling you, yo, banking the first few quarters of the year, bro, sets the tone. Right, like literally. So yeah, bro, like catching that, and then moving forward, you start off the year strong, bro. Like at the end of the year, because like to be honest, like yo, next year, bro, around this time, like I want to just like chill out. Originally my whole plan for December was to take December completely off and just be in Indonesia. Like I was gonna be in Bali the whole December, and like probably like the first 2 weeks of January.
Right.
But because of the massive demand with the prop firm, it's just like shit, I can't go because gotta do this, do that, the back end, we're not fully staffed and stuff like that. So yeah, so I was just like, damn, I can't go. But next year, bro, like we get fully staffed and knock stuff out. Yeah, I'm trying to spend at least a third of the year overseas.
There we go. Okay. Well, I should have my passport by then, so we will.
Yeah,
I will run it up. All right.
Yeah, if you don't, yo, we gonna have a serious problem.
I know,
I'm
bro.
telling you,
I know, bro. I don't know why, dude. I'm gonna have to. I'm gonna be like, yo, bro. Actually, yeah, I'm going to. Be like, yo, what's going on? Yeah, I'm gonna tell the woman. Be like, yeah, well, I don't know. Me and Cesar, we're getting an Airbnb around here. He's gonna be like, oh, why? Be like, well, I need my passport. It's like, what? It's like, yeah, I don't know, man. It's like I just can't do it. I just can't seem to seem to force myself into doing it. No. But yeah, dude, yeah, I'm definitely down, bro. Spending some time over in Indonesia. What's over there?
Bali.
Oh, I gotcha. Oh, Indonesia, Bali. Okay, great. I've never actually. I had there's a girl on my Snapchat or something that just got back from that area, and she said she loved it. She loved the people. She loved the culture, the area.
Bro, let me tell you, like Bali, bro, beautiful, amazing food, lovely people, beautiful scenery, beautiful houses, villas, bro. Yo, let your money, listen, your money will go a long way, bro. There. Like you could literally eat breakfast, lunch, and dinner out and only spend about maybe $30.
Really?
In America, bro, $30 is one freaking meal.
Yeah, bro.
You know what I'm saying? At least
Order
so
filled.
depending on, and again, I guess
Order
depending on
filled.
which state you live in, but like here in the East Coast, it's a meal. In New York, you're spending like almost $40 a meal. And then if we talk about rent, bro, like them villas, bro, like yo, you can rent a dope ass villa house for like I don't know, anywhere between like 600 and 1200. The more money you spend, obviously the more you're gonna get. But yeah, dude, like it's and we're talking like organic, fresh foods, bro. Like, yeah, it's
That's nice.
look at some travel guides about Bali, bro. Like
Oh, travel guys. Okay.
you can go, you can go to there's a few there's like a resort type setting spot where you can pay like I think it's like $15 or $20 and just like hang out there for the day. They have some dope infinity pools overlooking rice paddies, like staggered like in a mountain type way. Dude, like it's just dope out there.
Okay. And what?
And
So what's the most?
we have really good Wi-Fi. Like
Oh,
I know a trader actually, I know a trader that he his name is Cameron. He sold, bro. Like he started off in penny stocks with Tim Sykes, and then ventured off and doing his own thing, right?
yeah.
Bro, he lived in California. He sold. At the time, he had a Range Rover. He had the Maserati, the two-door one,
Yeah.
a
Okay.
boat, whatever, and then and he had a '68 Chevy Camaro, bro.
Ooh,
This
okay.
dude sold everything, bro. He sold everything and went traveling around the world, traveling around the world, and then he settled in Bali. And he was there, like he lived in Bali for like 3 years.
Oh, damn.
Dude, like
Okay.
yeah.
He
Like
like it. He enjoyed it.
bro, yo, he loved it, bro. Like
Yeah, I was gonna say Bali. You can, and I was looking at villas and stuff, bro. I think a while ago, the most expensive thing there is literally like traveling there, bro. You know what I mean? Like the flight, right?
yeah, the flight is literally the most expensive part traveling there, because like from here on the East Coast is like fly like I would either fly into either Doha, which is Qatar, or Dubai, and then from Dubai you fly in was it Jakarta, and then from Jakarta like it's another flight. So the flight is anywhere from like 18 to maybe 22 hours, but once you get there, like it's worth it. Like
And how much? How much does it usually cost if you're flying? Like, that's a lot of flying, so you don't want to fly. Nothing wrong with flying economy, but like, you know what I mean?
it depends. So like if you're gonna do economy, I mean even economy might run you like 1600, or maybe like 1600.
Yeah.
Something that you could do is you could fly. So you could fly into Malaysia, right? A flight. Well, you're from Pennsylvania, so I mean it should be around the same as for me. So from here to Malaysia, like you can literally fly from here to Malaysia for like maybe 700-800. And then from Malaysia it's like an hour and something from Malaysia to Bali, which the cost of the flight is like 160. or something like that, like 160.
Okay.
So if you, but overall, I mean, still overall, you might probably save maybe $400 or $500 on the flight. But it depends on what time of the year you're going, right? Like, are you going on the busy season, slow season? Are you going on the rainy season? The rainy season, like any places, slow season and rainy seasons, like flights end up being a bit lesser.
Yeah. Okay. So like now, basically, right? Snowy, rainy seasons.
Yeah, like some places right now is their rainy season, so it would be less, but like this month, no, because we're at the end of the year, so we're talking holiday end of the year.
Oh,
So for most places traveling, during the holiday season, it's going to be pretty expensive.
yeah. Yeah. That's actually that is true. So yeah, probably like what? Oh man, dude, that's so hard because like you think about the time of the year. I remember when I was flying to Florida and back all the time. It was usually like 200-300 a flight or whatnot, round trip, and depended obviously on the time of year or whatnot. But yeah, dude, that is true, bro. That is true. I mean, I
Yeah.
don't even imagine all the way. What is that, Malaysia? That's basically double the time. What is that from here? Like a 7-hour flight?
No, no, we're talking 14.
Oh, damn. Oh,
Bro,
buddy.
I be taking long flights, bro. I be taking long flights. Like recently, like what I had a recent like when I went to Zanzibar, um, what we're talking, 16 hour flight, like total travel time, because it was a 9 hour. It was a 9 hour flight from Boston to Turkey, Istanbul, and then from Istanbul, I had a 6.5 hour flight to mainland Tanzania, and then from mainland Tanzania, I had a 30-minute flight to Zanzibar. So Zanzibar is territory of Tanzania, but Zanzibar is an island.
Okay.
Like if you go if you go on Instagram, like there's a lot of videos about it and stuff like that. But what I will tell you, bro, is what they portray on social media, bro. It's not what it is. They're like like Zanzibar is probably the first place that I've gone to that I'm not really too keen on revisiting.
Really?
For several reasons. Yeah, bro, for several reasons. Like, first, infrastructure is not the greatest. Uh, there's not much to do. Like, I'm not really like, I've been there, done that with all the excursion stuff, so I really don't care for it. So there's not really much to do. Beaches are okay. But the one thing I really didn't like was like people are always in your face trying to sell you stuff, even though like
Uh,
they've seen you times and whatever. And that to me was just like really annoying.
yeah.
So I didn't really like that. And then like I just had a hard like driving out there, bro. Like it's crazy. Like it's literally like almost like a free for all. You're driving on the opposite side, right? So the wheel is on the left hand side of the car, not the right hand. No, it's on the yeah, it's on the right hand side and not the left
Yeah.
side. Uh, so so I parked the car. So I rented a car. They didn't have insurance. Then I parked the car got sideswiped, and then I had to pay for the damages, and they tried to OD overcharge me for the damages. So suffice to say, like I went there to relax, and it wasn't that relaxing and whatever. It being a Muslim country, like it was relatively safe. Like you don't have to worry about like getting mugged or anything like that and whatever. Friendly people, but just not. It's just not a place like. It's just not a place I would go to again.
Right,
Like
right.
I really, yeah, it's just not someplace I would go to again.
No, I agree.
At least not anytime soon. Not
Oh,
like
no, there we go.
there's so many other places that like for the water and those like for the water and the view and food, like there's so many other places I could have gone for that.
Right, and I agree.
Uh,
I mean, like, if, I've never traveled outside of there, but I know there's certain places, even America, there it's like you visit once, you're like, okay, like, no offense to any of my Philly boys around here or anything like that. Love me good old Philadelphia or whatnot, but I went there, I think one time for like Eagles something, like Eagles, I think it was an Eagles game or something like that with my buddy, and I was in like, I don't think I was a freshman in high school at that time or something. I was pretty young, but yeah, it just wasn't as like I would say as nice or up to like I don't know. I would just say as nice or respectable people wise or whatnot. Like they just obviously they were a little mean or whatnot out there in the city, right, or whatnot. So like dude honking all the time, or like New York the same thing, just crazy. But like sometimes you know, you get those spots, and it's like Florida. I didn't drive much because I didn't have a rental car, just Ubered everywhere. So like I guess maybe that might have changed the experience around. You know what I mean? I didn't have to drive with anybody really that much. So yeah, I mean I'm 100%. I mean I'm down to do Bali, bro. You don't even need a car there, do you?
No, you don't really need a car. Like over there, it's the little mopeds. So like you can rent the little mopeds, and bro, and those end up being like $2-3 a day.
Right.
Even car rental is very cheap, but like certain places, like it just has like a crazy traffic where it's like your best bet to get around is the scooter. So like what I was planning to do was like I was gonna like go spend a week in each different city. So I was gonna end up probably getting a rental and then just like driving to one city and then rent, and then for the days that I'm gonna be in that city, rent the scooter just to get around, because they're much like those little scooters, they're slimmer, so you can get when there's traffic, you can go on the outskirts of the cars. You know what I'm saying? Like it's like, bro, you know, you got a bike.
Right.
I'm pretty sure there's been times that you've driven in a highway, some traffic, and then you're just zipping through cars on the either on the inside or on the outside shoulder, right? And
Right.
you're just bypassing the traffic and whatever. And essentially that's what it is. So you have like the more touristic spots of Bali, you're gonna have like high traffic and stuff like that, but you go like this areas where you can go out and like into the outskirts, and it's not as crazy traffic because you know it's not like crazy tourist populated.
Right.
So yeah, but it's that like that's definitely a place that you'd want to check out. Bali, Japan is on the list for next year. Qatar, because I haven't had the pleasure of going to Qatar yet. So I
Right.
wanna check them out. Kenya is on
Order
the list for
filled.
next year as well. South Africa, Cape Town, Ghana, Egypt. So like this is why like the first two quarters, bro, like the first two quarters, like I'm going ham because throughout the year, like I'll be dipping in and jumping into a few different spots, but I'm still gonna like maintain that schedule. Still continue to do the streams. So actually, like I ended up buying a dual monitor setup so I
Hmm.
can attach to my laptop. So now I have like I go from having one screen to having three screens. So now I can have the chat open. I got OBS on my laptop now, so like when I travel, I'll still be able to stream, keep the chat on one side and whatever. And the laptop has a built-in camera, so yeah. So like I'm pretty set for to take my trading on the road.
Yeah, buddy. There we go. Well, I'd love to hear it, dude. Yeah, that's really good too. I mean, I'm glad you're getting up there. Yeah, I've taken on the road before. I don't mind it. I just need a different type of laptop. I think I don't really like the MacBook. Yeah, a MacBook's good for a lot of things. I don't think trading's one of them though. You know what I mean? I got it thinking that it would be good for it,
Uh,
but then I'm like,
Yeah, it depends on the platform. Like us, like with OBS, OBS is a Windows program.
right,
I mean, I have OBS on my MacBook too. But like some of the programs that I use, like mainly like the MT4, MT5 softwares, those are all Windows programs. So I ended up having to buy a gaming laptop just so I can be able to so I can be able to trade without having to like buy a whole bunch of different programs. Well, for Mac, like you need Parallel, which I did it and it just looked off, bro. Like the program like literally looked like 1995 resolution, which was trash.
right,
I'm definitely showing my age over here,
right, right.
mentioning the 1995 Windows.
No, it's all good.
But yeah, bro, it was just like, yeah, it was just tedious. I was just like, you know what, like I'm just gonna go and get that. So, and the gaming laptop's pretty dope, man. And because it's a gaming laptop and it has a high graphic, high memories and stuff like that, it's really good for like having like dual monitors and whatever. And if it ends up being like a place that I'm gonna be there for like a month or for like a month at least, I'll probably end up buying like one, sizable, either like a 34 or a 32-inch monitor. So then I have like that along with the two additional small monitors, and yeah, and trade and do my thing, and then on to the next.
Yup, there we go. That sounds fun. That sounds really fun. Yeah. So what? How long you planning to stay out there if you're going out to Bali area, like you said?
So next year, like I definitely want to do a month in Bali. Like the stuff that I want to do there, like it's definitely like a month. So Bali would be a month. Everywhere else, a week or two. Most places, like I like to go spend at least 2 weeks to like really get the feel for things.
Right.
Because like I don't like to go, to be like a tourist. Like I want to see where the locals hang out, do the stuff that the locals do, just really experience the culture. And not just stay around where all the tourists like to hang out, where it's this, that, and the third. It's like, nah, like I want to really see the country. I want to go out into the outskirts. I want to go and chill with the locals. So I always end up like becoming friends with someone that's locally there, and then I end up like getting put on to like different places, like where they hang out, where they go, where they chill, where they eat. You know what I'm saying? Because
Yeah.
like a lot of places that like are very touristy. It's like one, the price ends up being a bit higher, but the food is like they're catering the food to be to the liking of the people that are there. So sometimes it ends up missing in flavor.
Right. Okay. Because you're not eating. You're not partaking in the true culture, right? You're just partaking in
Yeah.
whatever
Yeah.
touristy thing. Yeah. Okay, I get what you're saying
Yeah.
though.
Yeah.
Right.
Right.
That makes sense though.
So
Okay.
yeah.
Yeah, buddy.
So,
That's what's up. Yeah, I'm definitely like I said, man, 100% gonna get the passport and join you on some of these.
passport, bro. Definitely get your passport because got Colombia's on tap, got Dubai on tap. So like if there's a trip you're gonna have to make it to, bro, at least Dubai, bro.
Right.
Dubai, bro. We go out there, we have some fun. You know what I'm saying? We have Jaffe up. We have a couple people out there and whatever. I got a couple business associates out there and stuff like that. And bro, like it'll be an amazing time. And I think even Kush is coming. Is gonna be coming. I mean, at least one of the times, because I know Dubai. Like I'm gonna have to go like next year. Probably gonna end up going to Dubai like 3 times. One time for like a broker meeting. My the broker that we use, they're doing like a meeting with like the owners of the prop firms and stuff. So I have to go there for that. Then we have the FX Summit in November. Spoke I think like last week, me and Kush spoke to the organizer of the FX Summit, which they had it in Miami this year.
Okay.
So next year it's in Dubai. It's going to be in November, which is awesome. Because I thought it was going to be in June again, which would have conflicted with my trip to Italy. And Italy probably going to be in Italy for like 3 weeks.
Right. Okay.
But yeah, so at least one of those trips to Dubai, bro, like you gotta come through because it's like, yo, it's gonna be a vibe, bro. Like we're gonna go out, we're gonna rent some exotics, we're gonna take them shits on to a strip. We're gonna even take them to a track, bro, and just open up, bro. Like
Right.
it'll be a good time. So you
Oh,
got
yeah.
to.
I know, dude.
But
I
before,
know. Oh, I can't wait.
before a 12-hour flight, I was like, we're gonna pop your cherry, you know what I'm saying, and take you somewhere like, like 3-4 hours, like Colombia. Colombia's only like, I want to say like 4 hour, like it's like a 4-hour flight
Right.
or whatever.
Okay.
So that's long. And it actually is lesser for you because when I fly from Boston, I end up having to make a stop in New York or Fort Lauderdale, and then from there, like get the connecting flight there. So it would be like lesser time for you. So for me, it's like 4 hour and change. So for you, it might be like three something or whatever, or 4 and 5, whatever. But that like start you off with that. You know what I'm
Yep.
saying?
Some Colombia. There we go.
Get,
Okay.
get with your Hispanic side. You know what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
Go out there, look at some properties. You know what I'm saying? Show you around. There's the countryside. There's a city side and whatever. You know what I'm saying? Like it's dope.
There we go. Okay. I was just saying, I've never
And
been out that way.
then yeah, you know what I mean. So get that going, bro. I was like, yo, I'm telling you, I'm gonna give you to the end of January. If the end of January, I ask you, was like, yo, did you at least submit it, bro? Like, and if you tell me no, bro, like listen,
Caesar's on
I'll
the way.
find out when
He's
you
on the
pull
way.
up, bro. Because Deck had already invited me to pull up to the office in PA, and I'm pretty sure you ain't that far away either. So I'm like, bro, like don't let me. And mind you, we're all supposed to be meeting up on the 13th of January too
Oh
in New York.
yeah. Yeah, that is true.
Yeah.
New
So
York,
don't,
I
so
gotta get
don't,
there.
don't let me find out. 'Cause if I do, bro, like I'm bringing you a knuckle sandwich.
Yeah, right, dude. It's like, yo, hey, YB, yeah, buddy. It's like, hey, well, you're not leaving until you get the passport. It's like, I don't know what to tell you. So I'm down though, bro. I'm 100% down. And yeah, New York, I keep forgetting about that one. That one's gonna be fun, bro. Yeah, buddy. I say we all just get one giant Airbnb, just run it up, New York. Ooh, ooh. Yeah, one giant Airbnb. Go out for dinner, go a little clubbing, get it in, get some content in. I think that'd be fun. Nah, I'll probably be the Utah trip type stuff. Are you? I don't know if you're going to that. Are you going to that one?
What?
The good old Utah. I keep forgetting.
I'm gonna try, cause it's in March, and March I'm supposed to be what is it? March I'm supposed to be going to Amsterdam.
Hmm.
So I gotta see cause Deck hasn't said what dates in March yet, or has he?
I think I don't know. I'm not quite. I gotta remember. I think something like I want to say March 13th, but I think I'm thinking about the New York trip, which is January 13th.
Yeah, New York. New York is like he decided on January 13th. We're all gonna link up.
Yep.
Yeah. So for March, I'd have to ask the dates. Like once I know the dates, I can then plan around it. Either if I have to like move a trip off uh a few days forward, I'll do that. Because I definitely want to like pull up there and see. But if it doesn't end up mixing, like we'll link up in PA or NY.
Yeah, I'm down for that. Yeah, because that's in March already. So it's like, yeah, so that's we're gonna obviously New York's prior to that. Yeah, I don't know who's
Yeah.
all. I forget who's all coming out to the New York one. I'm pretty sure all of them are. Everyone is, right?
I know Alex said he would. I know for sure, AK is gonna
Oh, there we
pull
go.
up.
Okay.
Yeah, you, me. I'm not sure if Kush will.
Right, being in
I mean, he
Orlando.
should.
Yeah.
He should, bro. It's only a 3 hour flight or
Right,
whatever.
right.
Like there was one. Kush. I don't know who else. Who else is in the chat that will?
I don't think active's active like that anymore. But if he is, he can pull up. I don't know if he's active like that anymore though.
I think he's in Florida too.
Oh, is he? Oh, is it? Oh, okay. Oh, is he really? Okay. Florida bound. There we go.
Yeah. Active Trader. Active Trader is based out of Florida.
There we go. Okay. Yeah, him. Yeah, I mean that's still good though. That's pretty solid. That's good numbers. And it'll be fun, man. That'll be a good time. Get into it. Get
looking
on
forward.
it. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, dude. Yeah, because I mean, yeah, bro. I haven't gone out to New York too much, man. I think I've been out there one other time when like my sophomore year of high school. So it's like my traveling experience is very limited.
Yeah, bro. The stuff that they're doing in New York, bro. Like, in another year, or even starting this year, bro. Like, I'm not gonna be going to New York that much anymore because they're just doing some outrageous stuff. Like, they passed the congestion bill, where basically like if you drive into the city, they're gonna charge you a fee, on top of the you're already paying tolls to go
Really?
there. Yeah. Like they're just making stuff more restrictive and it's annoying. Yeah, and I just don't like that. So it's the stuff that they're doing is just not gonna make people want to go there. I at least drive like because I drive in, and I'm just like I'm probably just gonna have to take a bus or a train or whatever. But
Right.
even being within the city, it's like they're gonna be charging taxis, and then obviously like the taxis are going to uh pass that fee over to you.
Right.
So yeah, so after this year, bro, it's like I'm not gonna be going to New York that often.
Right. Understandable. I don't. Yeah. I don't think I'll be hitting up too much. That's crazy because then they can just attach that to your flight too. It's like, oh, you're flying into New York. Okay, well here's this fee. They're just gonna attach it to your bill when you're like buying your flight. You know what I mean?
No, that's when you drive. Like for flights, what these companies are trying to do is, which they already started. It's called an emission, carbon emission footprint. So they, if you look in the tickets, they charge you a small fee, and on the side of it it says carbon emission.
Huh.
Like Yeah, bro. Like, so it's getting to a point where like you won't be able to sneeze without being charged a fee. Like,
Right,
it's
bro.
crazy.
And that's the world, man. I mean, dude, like, bro, I went to Chipotle yesterday, first time in a long time, bro. Chicken's $9.75 now. Okay, let me tell you something. I remember the days when I can get something done for $6. No, I'm kidding. It was like 8, but still $1.25 more for some chicken I can make in my house. It's pretty crazy.
Yeah.
So I'm like,
Bro,
yeah, dude. Yeah, I think steak's like $2 more. I was like, what? I was like, bro, this is crazy, dude. So yeah, man. I mean, hey, man, they're getting crazy with these prices, and I'm just like, all right, well, hey, man. I mean, did I expect it to happen? Yeah. I mean, I can't really say no. Inflation's crazy high. Well, actually, we should have hit a peak technically, and we're coming down. But like, will we? I feel like the inflation rate coming down is not going to affect the prices of stuff. It's always going to be the same at this rate. You know what I mean? So
Yeah, bro. A lot of prices are not gonna come down. People are able to pay it and stuff like that. Unless we hit like a really, really rough patch,
right, then
ain't
they're
shit
gonna
coming
have to.
down, bro.
Right, yeah. They're gonna have. It's almost gonna be like not Great Depression era. Well, hopefully we don't do anything like that. But like you're gonna literally have to bring your price down, or else you're not gonna have sales. So it's like these companies are gonna have to start, instead of running like a monopoly almost. You know what I mean? Or what would that be? What is it called when a bunch of companies are in agreement to keep raising prices or something like that? I don't know what that's called. I forget what that's called. It's something different. Something opoly. What is it?
Is it price gouging?
Something like that. Probably. It's probably that. But no, they like, yeah, but like, I mean, if they keep doing that, they keep that up or whatnot. Yeah, I mean, like, eventually they're gonna have to start outbidding each other to the downside, right? Okay, well, my gas price is this, and my gas, you know what I mean? And then, the consumer will be in control.
You know what? You know what's crazy, bro? Is like to a degree, it's all coordinated.
Yeah.
Like some places, based on their geographic location, it ends up being higher. Like when gases was like almost $4 out here, it was like $8 in other parts of like California and other parts.
Damn.
But to a degree, bro, like this is everything. Like everything to some degree, bro, has been coordinated and decided upon,
Right.
right? And what gives me this realization is that, all right, so in where you live, right? You go to the barber shop, right? The
Yep.
barber shop, the colors outside the barber shop are what? Red and white, right? That little thing that's like red, white, and blue.
Yeah, spirals. Yeah.
Okay, so that's it. Um, do you know of any barber shop being open on a Sunday or Monday in PA?
Huh, I don't think so. Unless they're like
Right?
local,
No,
yeah,
right?
yeah.
No. So like no barber shops
too.
are open. Scaling back in at 16,990. So no barber shops are open at on a Sunday, Monday, right? I thought, or at least on a Monday. I thought that was just an American thing. I was in Turkey for 2 weeks. I went to like four or five different cities in Turkey: Istanbul, Cappadocia, Pamukkale, and like two others. Bro, I went to a
Order
shop,
filled.
like it was a Monday. I went to a barber shop and shit was closed. And I'm just like, yo, y'all really close on a Monday? So I'm like, yo, so this is not just like an America thing. Like this shit's fucking universal.
Yeah.
Like in Mexico, I experienced the same thing. I was in Mexico for some time. On a Monday, I went to go try to get a haircut. Nope, they were closed. I pull
Really?
up to the barber shop. And the colors are red, white, and blue. And I'm just like, so when it comes to these gas prices and all these other stuff, bro, they all coordinate.
Right. That's crazy. Yeah, when you really think about it, I never thought about that, especially just because like locally owned businesses and stuff. I mean, they're the same way. They're probably told to do that as well. You really think about it. They're probably told like, hey man, like blah blah blah. Like if you want to run this, like I remember like I know like cars like what is it for like you have to have like a certain word in your like business name to be able to like operate or something, like it's something weird like that for like car dealerships, like locally owned ones obviously, not like Ford or Chevy or them, but like the ones that like use cars or whatnot. Like it's crazy to think about with that. You know what I mean? Like you literally have to have a certain word in your name. Like you have to have like auto or something like that. Like auto sales. Like oh blah 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 is auto dealership or you know what I mean?
Mm-hmm.
Like, I'm just like, what? Like, you guys are really that crazy with it? Okay.
Yeah.
So, it's chilling out right now, by the way. I'm in a little bit of NQ only because underneath that view up, I like it. I'm still in RTY here. I want to see it spike up. My stop loss is near on RTY.
Stop filled.
Stop just filled on RTY. So, chilling out here in NQ. Yeah, I mean, this is going to be one of my last trades, I think, on the day. Not looking to, like, throw away everything, but, like, yep.
Yeah. About to call it this. Let's see.
Slipping a little bit more.
Order filled.
Yeah, I got out there. Thinking about it, now that it's underneath though, it's underneath that view up, it might start to hold up. This is the first time it's ever held up. I'm gonna see him wait just before I decide to make anything crazy. RTY just touched at 200 though. Hold up. RTY just touched at 200. Oh, spike back down to it. Spike back down to it, bro. Come back down to that 200. Let me get filled, bro. Let me get filled. NQ as well. Oh man.
Order filled.
I would love. I'm looking for this thing to spike here, man. NQ just had a nice big lower shadow there. I'm looking for that spike-a-roo, baby. It's like right there, man. I just want to see it push up 995 up to 1700. Wow, RTY looks clean there. I just think it got it. You know, I think it does got it as long as S&P doesn't act crazy. Yeah, NQ overall is pushed into the highs. It all depends S&P here. It really does. Yeah, dude, RTY.
Yeah, see, two
Oh,
two rejections underneath in 10. That run probably should have been my last trade, but no.
Oh, I feel you, buddy. It's okay.
Not bad. So Pete, right? So check it. So if you were to go to Bali in January, it would cost you $1,040 round trip.
Oh, that's round. Okay.
Right, round trip. And like I told you, ticket from Malaysia to Bali is like $160. So overall, under $1,200 or about $1,200 or so, you would be able to get a round trip. But to get there, you're looking at 22 hours travel time.
Dang, bro.
Yep, 12 hours from here to Doha, and then a 2.5-hour layover in Doha, and then a 7-hour flight to Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. And from Malaysia to Bali, you're looking at about an 1.5-hour flight.
Okay.
So basically 23 hours and a half.
There we go. Okay. I mean,
Not
that's
bad.
yeah, it's not bad. I mean, like driving from like here to Florida is like 16. Not that I've ever done it, but that's so not terrible. Not terrible. Can't complain.
Right. Them long drives, bro. That's, man, yo, you learn about some people in some long road trip drives.
Right.
I had an ex. I drove, like, I helped her move to Houston, Texas. Dude,
What?
beginning of the drive, everything was good. Midway, like, I was ready to choke her, bro.
Oh yeah.
Bro, she was getting on my nerves so bad because, like, we were alternating, like, driving and sleeping. And, like, I can sleep. Like, I can fall asleep fine. Like, I wasn't concerned about nothing or whatever. But her, she couldn't sleep. So she was getting, like, mad, cranky, and agitated and whatever. And then she was getting mad at me because I'm able to sleep and she wasn't able to sleep. I'm like, yo, that's not my problem.
Right,
and whatever.
bro.
Yeah, like, yo, at the end of it, I was like, yo, I'm never doing this again.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, I don't know, man. My buddy, yeah, I just especially with a no offense to any girls in the chat, but like especially with your
Stop
girl,
field.
that just doesn't seem like a good recipe. It's like, oh, dude, I gotta sit in the car with her for this many hours, dog. Oh, hell no. It's like, yeah, bro. I don't know. Like,
But some of them, they just be on some shit. Like, nah, bro.
yup. It's like, I'm hungry. I'm hungry. It's like, oh, well, hi, hungry. Yep.
Let's pull, still pulling. Okay, NQ. Let's see if these 70s are gonna hold. Might not.
Right, I don't even know what to think, honestly, about this day. It's kind of a Friday. It's noon. Right before Christmas. I probably should have walked away when I was up a little amount. Yeah.
How much did you do? At one point, it looked like you were up like 1200.
Oh, right now I'm down like 12. Yeah.
What?
Yeah, nothing too crazy on it, but like, yeah, because I still have wiggle room on it. Yeah, I still got plenty of wiggle room, but only because the day's slowing down a little bit. Like, it looks like a good dip buy here. It has been looking like great dip buys, but bro,
Was that NQ?
yeah, looks like a great dip buy opportunity actually. But like, once again, the next candle could form, then it might not.
Yeah, it actually does.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Let's go. Going in at 87.
I just want to see here. I just want to see if we can touch that.
Probably.
High. This is the last trade. I gotta stop after this one. I'm gonna have to put a stop loss in tighter too. Probably at 77. I would love to see a push here, only because yeah, we came in, we touched that low there. I want to see it kind of get that red to green move. Checking out NQ overall here. NQ overall. Nah, I think this market's done for the day after this. Yeah, I know I'm done for the day after this, but I think this market's
Order filled.
Yep. Yeah, I'm about to. Yeah, my stop's about to hit.
Yeah. That's probably gonna be it for me, fellas. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for joining us today. Merry Christmas to y'all. I will stream next week, whatever days that the market's open, for at least an hour or two. But thank you all for joining. Have a safe weekend. Be safe. Don't be out there doing no crazy stuff. You know what I mean? Enjoy your time with your families, and we'll see you guys next week.
Yeah, buddy. Yeah, happy holidays, Cesar. Have fun, man. Hopefully you have a great Christmas. Yeah, buddy.
Thank you very much. Appreciate you.
Yep.
You know, so just run this back up, you know what I'm saying, next week when you can.
Yep, I'm down with it. Let's run it up. All right.
All right.
See you, buddy. Take care.
All right. Yeah. Take.
All right, ladies and gentlemen, Cesar for you guys. Chilling out, man. Still in this. Want to see this thing start to take back off to the top side as it is already. Looks great here to continue to push these highs here. If S&P gets that one jump, I get a little bit to break even. I'm out. I am looking for that one to take off here. Hey, have a great one too, AK. Have a great Christmas. Hey, Christmas hoodies, there you go. There we go. Have a good one, buddy. Hope you're having a happy holidays. Yeah. Yeah, guys. I'm looking for a massive move, kind of, but...
Stop
All
field.
right, stop hit, guys. Ladies and gentlemen, yeah, that's probably going to be it for me. 1900 on it. Not a bad. You know, what really happened is just I was playing chop. I was playing the wrong momentum. Still playing the wrong momentum on the day. It's okay. I'm not really too... You know, I'm like 50-50 with it. It's not a bad day. No, it's not bad, technically. There's never a bad day. You know what I mean? You just get bad moves in the market. You're not playing the right moves. I feel like the longs are still going to play out here, guys. I still think these longs are great. I still think they're going to play out. I think this is going to be a double bottom area, come back up, but I think it's going to be chop all day. We're coming to the market. We're coming towards the end of it. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you guys have a happy holiday. I do have to hop off. I got to get Gotta get a lot done, man. Still working. Yeah, buddy. So, Tebow, have a great holiday. Charting Queen, Grambo, Torn Trader, all of you guys, Darth Trader, and anyone else, man. Hopefully you guys all have a happy holiday season. Take care. Yeah, buddy. See you guys all back here probably Tuesday whenever the market's back open. Yeah, I'll be here for a little bit. Nothing too crazy then. Take it easy, guys. Peace.